USB bridge de facto will continue to be until we all get home.
Thank you.
Thank
IK,
you.
let's go. Not Biafra, but now you it's IK. IK, let's go. IK, what's up? You've been IK.
I've been here. Good evening. My battery is about to die. I'll be very fast. Auntie Angie, good evening. Good evening, everyone. I'm very, very happy to be. Umu Biafra, Kwenu, Renu, Mwonu, Kwezonu. Now, I want us to leave away. This argument is an internal argument. It's not has nothing to do with the world. So, this is an internal fracas. So unfortunate that a section, Minister of Finance came out and brought himself out. That is, by the way. Here, what I will beg every Biafran is please support our able acting Prime Minister. She's acting. Our acting Prime Minister in absence of Simon Ekpa. Please, every man, the way you assist your wife at home, the way you guide your wife, start rendering assistance to her, messages, advice. And it's for the funding. The only question I'll ask is, and I hope that they have access to the homeland, because I want to be very bad to hear that our homeland cannot get a Gemma due to this fracas. So I will hope that they can be able to reach homeland with their Gemma at any time when due, and more if possible. That's what I'll be happy to hear, because that's how I got emotionally attached to them in the first place.
Who is speaking? Who is speaking?
It's Ike speaking, please. Ike.
Okay. Okay. Regarding the Gemma,
Yes.
were you on space yesterday when the defense minister and the deputy spoke? Were you in?
No, I waited
Okay.
before she came, so I think I left before she came. Yes.
Okay. It's always good at times because most of the space have like headings, and when you see that heading and you have a question related to that, please try to listen. Maybe you'll get your answers. The homeland is well secured, well secured under the government, United States of government, United States of Biafra, and they are being funded again. We should ask ourselves the relationship between defense and finance. How do they know? Just get it like this. The person that gave them they were working with, was kind of kicked out because they don't know what is going on. And all these things going on, um, it didn't start today. That's all I can say. Okay? United States of Biafra, we are good to go. Homeland is secured. Homeland will get all they need. Remember the first day when I had space, I said if the money is the issue, we have silent donors that can take care of homeland for us while we get money. They're in good hands.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, I
Yeah.
heard you said that. Yeah. I heard you said that, ma. I heard you said that, ma, and I was pleased that day. Yes, thank you. Yes. So, like I was saying, there is a lot of things we don't want apart from the homeland. We have diplomatic issues. We'll be traveling to other European countries, so we need to do as much as we can to assist wherever you are. That if you are not in the homeland, remember you are in exile. Me myself, Islamic State of Nigeria, even no exile. So wherever you are, remember homeland. Remember what our government is doing for us in exile. They need funding. I've been communicating with a lot of my families in Canada, America, Scotland, Germany. So by the special grace of God, it will keep coming. It won't stop. So I thank you all for the effort you are putting for our children. Because while I'm involved, while I'm trying to stick my head out, is so that my children can be safe. Biafra is the safe place, not Nigeria. There are too many reasons why the Islamic State of Nigeria cannot be for us. So I'm happy. I've heard everything I want to hear.
Thank
The
you.
excuse
Thank you,
of the charter,
Thank you.
the excuse of the charter is gone. So I yield. Thank you.
Sir, yes, sir. Thank you. Justice, let's go. Justice, you there? Okay, I think Justice is no longer there. Anybody else? Ronnie, you got a question? Okay, happy. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, sorry, Phone Girl has been there for a while. Sorry, Phone Girl, you there? You want to say something?
I don't really have a question unless if other people want a question, have a money is good so for that stage. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you don't really have to explain IC
Mhm,
stuff. But I just have
mhm,
one more question, please,
mhm,
from my side.
mhm.
Do we have, like you say you sponsor to state? Do we have a couple of states that are running? And if we do, are they getting information? Those ones that are already running, are they getting informations like the ones we are having, or like when your cabinet member, I mean your minister, your member will go 247 is giving his broadcast. Do they get to hear it on the radio on this one that are functioning? If we have some that are already functioning.
One thing I cannot do here is to say exactly what I did because at that time, I wasn't the secretary for information. But I remember
Yes,
our PN, I
I'm,
remember
I'm,
our PN,
I'm saying
our
if you
PN
get
said that
it.
Ebony and another, state in the Niger Delta. Let me use that word. That those two stations were functioning. I remember being in space when he said that, and. Sources confirmed that. And I remember being either one of the, let me say, social media prime minister was there. Somebody called in and said that them in Ebony are getting the news. This is what I heard. You understand? But right now, I can't tell you exactly until it's coming from me, then I'll be. But that has been reported. Yeah. The Niger Delta area and Ebony. I've heard about that one.
Okay. Let me know hold the mic. Please, if you want to ask a question, raise your hand. If not, I'll let Biafra go. Then Phone Gear can give her submission. Biafra, you have a question? Biafra is here. Biafra is here. Do you have a question? You were trying to unmute your mic a while ago. All right, Fungia, you can go ahead and give your submission. You've been here for a while.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. I greet Dr. Aggie, Ugo 247. Otunwa. How are you doing, my brother? It's been a minute. How are you doing? I'm so glad to see so many. I was so glad to see a lot of you guys that we have been talking on Spaces in Finland. I saw you face to face, so I greet all of you. I think Otuma was clarifying some questions I had, about the other cabinets that were dissolved. What was it? But he kind of clarified it, so that was the question that I had then. But
All right, welcome back. So I decided to come like I promised that I will come back at this hour, although we started, a few minutes earlier than the time that I gave you. I told you 12 a.m. Biafran time. So I guess it's not yet, but I have to start now because I want to start on time so that we can end on time. Anyway, we are back again to go through another change from what we planned before because I noticed that my system couldn't allow me to welcome some people to make contribution because the program that I started earlier requires the opinion of other people. So that I wanted to know your own take on that. But we are here again to visit a different thing, and that's why I quickly share the link on time so that if you have opinion you can come up. But I prefer that you hold on for a moment so that you can establish the topic of this program properly. Then the voice you are hearing before I jump in is a program that Dr. Age had with some reference. That was, after the convention, I believe, one of the first space they hosted. I think that posted that it has to do with other Biafrans. And as a minister of secretary of information, she holds this space, taking questions from Biafrans and all that. Why are we visiting that now? I decided to visit it now because a few days ago she tendered her resignation letter. She resigned, which I have actually made a reaction video on that, and a lot has happened, and are still happening. So I'm not here to tell you the reason why she resigned, or neither am I here to tell you that she have committed an offense or anything. Yes. Am I happy that she resigned? No. Am I happy that what happened happened? No. But the truth is that you cannot tell someone to, you cannot command somebody to the pillow the person will use, and lay just the pillow the person decide to use, and lay his or her head. Like I don't want to be like, and I don't want to influence anybody's life. She have her reasons, and her reason must be respected. The only thing, if you ask me my, if you ask my opinion, I will tell you that she don't need to resign, no matter what. We all know that gossip, a lot of gossip is going on. People can gossip a lot. People can, some people are good like that. Some people are wired to bring two head together and smash it together. All right. This video is not about Dr. Age and her resignation or about the USB government. No. The video that you are listening that I just played now, like I told you, that was her voice, and you can see how she was a kind of she was reachable. She gave her best. She tried her best, and she made herself accessible for question and answer. You can ask her question. You can reach out to her. Her number is one of the popular number on social media. All right. In fact, personally, she's one of the. I don't think I have anybody that can. Okay, yeah, of course I do. Like we go 247. But she's one of the cabinet member that is down to earth. Like you can reach out to her no matter who you are, and she's very, very open to attend to you. But like I said, I'm not a cabinet member. I don't know what happened, within them. I don't know the problem. I can't tell you anything. But she said to resign. Now, all I can tell you that her resignation is not like the woman of why is such a Ezenago. She resigned maybe her personal reason. She don't give any reason. If you check her letter, if you go through her letter, I don't see any reason. Even shares that made it made a publication about it did not state her reason. But the thing is that she's not out making noise and crazy scene. Just like when Pastor Rose fallback was, we expecting her to raise dust. What did she say? She come down and disappointed them full time. So that is what you have when you are dealing with experienced and educated people. And I'm gonna leave it there. I see some of you in the comments. Let me quickly recognize you, because for you to join me now after what happened before simply means that truly you are part and parcel of this platform, and I respect you for that. Let me start by welcoming Mark Spencer. I see you, and we have Benjamin is here with us. We have Kingsley. Kingsley, I see you as well. Who again? After Kingsley, who again? Okay. Machi, Bosa, I see you. And Malaki is here. Malaki also, I see you. Emeka wrote very long, not too long, but kind of, he wrote something. Let me bring it up on the screen. Said, Kai Report, Kai TV, good morning. Thank you so much. We appreciate you so much. We must protect our mandate. USB remain only one government. That is from Emeka. And Obi-Wan, our brother, is here with us. Obi-Wan, I see you. Franco Conco, I see you. Oh, we are back. Thank you, Kai. Thank you so much, my sister. And Simon Emeka is here again. Thank you. And Obin Nabros, I see you. Biafra Liazin Japan, our papa, our brother, our uncle is here with us. I see you. Good day to you. Good evening or good morning, your time. Doreen, our own sister, is here as well. So keep the comment coming, and please do me a favor, like the video so that the way we end the other video and start up again is not encouraging. Like the algorithm is not happy about it. I have to be honest. I could have started immediately, but for the sake of the platform, I said let me just give some hours before we come back again. But now we are here. All you need to do to help us this little hour, Friday night is you making sure all of you to hit the like button. We are not here about it's not because of Dr. Aggie per se, but why is social media, decide to say something about it, and because of her, we have to discuss about it. We have to discuss this. You understand? So and to also remind you the tactics. That was what I wanted to discuss before. Then our sister Precious, Divine Precious, called my attention that the link that I posted was not able to bring anybody in. And you remember the other day we were streaming it, and after my program, I decided to welcome people. Then the system decided to shut down without giving anybody a chance. So I was trying to make sure that everything is okay. And I can tell you the reason why we are facing this kind of challenges is because we are yet to subscribe to the stream to the stream yard we are using. As you can see, that's why you see the logo here. So we are using free trial. So free trial is like that. Anything is possible. So until we get it right, you understand? So please make sure you like the video, and we still have some of our people that are joining us at this point in time. Let me recognize. I've sent my greetings to Doreen, and Victor is here. Victor Gold. Victor Gold in Homes. I see you. And Obi-Wan, okay. Our brother, our uncle, our papa, Oluchi God is here with us. Simon Emeka, okay. Ezekiel. Triple Ezekiel. I see you. Keep on, my brother. He said, keep on, brother. Thank you. And Dorin said, yes, the link was blank. Now, can you test the one that I post now? The one we have now, is it also blank? Okay, I did not even pin it. Okay, let me pin it first, so it can be visible. So, can you test if this one is working? Because I would, sometimes it's not as if I cannot run my program without, expecting you to put your comment. I can, but if I do that, I will get used to that. So you'll be the one to remind me to put the link. So sometimes I can do my program 2 hours without even expecting anybody to say anything and go my way. Dr. Aggie disappointed them big time. Yes, of course. Not only Dr. Aggie, even Pastor Rose did the same thing. Not only some people may decide to, resign without even informing you. And it's not as if the resignation is a taboo. But people that are working with Satan, they're always eager to hear bad news so that it can to mean something. To them, it means a lot. Do you understand? And Obi-Wan is here. Obi-Wan, okay, I can see you, Obi-Wan. You have just confirmed that the link now is working. Thank you so much, everyone. You can just unmute your mic and say hi before we continue the program. We are just starting, okay? This is just 18 minutes to the program. We are probably being sample. We have many things to talk about. As tomorrow, some of you are already in Saturday morning, so it's fundraising. And why I'm emphasizing on this fundraising because of the people that travel to Finland to do hugging. Hold on. Let me see. Okay, Obi-Wan, are you there?
Hello, guys.
Yeah.
Happy weekend. I hope everyone is enjoying their weekend. I'm just testing the mic, though. So.
Yeah, I can see that. Thank you so much. Thank you. So you can hear my voices, right?
Yeah, it's coming out.
So we are good to go. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. And let us run the program first. Then we can bring anybody that want to join can join. Okay. Now, why is Socha decided to jump in and say something? But before then, let me play this Dr. Aggie's space program months ago. I think it's not up to 1 month after Finland convention. I can't tell. I don't know the date. I forgot to check it where I picked the video, to be honest, which I supposed to, know. I supposed to check. I supposed to have checked the day they uploaded they run this live stream, but here it is. Let's continue.
I just wanted to encourage Biafrans. The topic here says USB pathway to a total sovereignty. We need to be moving forward. So I agree with all of us. I said that I will not host any space again to discuss this thing going on anymore. We have moved on. Our fundraising yesterday was successful. You guys saw that, and so let's all move on. I know it's not easy. If some people still want to express themselves, let them do so. But for me, if I host a space, I want to come up with ideas of how we can move forward. With how we can totally get our sovereignty, because that's where we're supposed to be now. Unfortunately, after the redeclaration, when we're supposed to be deliberating on things to help us, how we can get total control of our land, we are here trying to put up fires and all this gossiping and all that stuff that is going on right now. It's very unfortunate, but at the end of the day, let your spirit guide you, because most of us are in this spirit, in this movement. This Biafra is a spirit, and our spirit guide us, and I always believe in that. So please let us move forward. Whatever idea you have that we can forge ahead, like this media, I think is very, very, very important that our people get it back home, because that is how our leader was able to destroy the zoo. Because many of us didn't know history. I was vouched for myself.
Yes, Pastor Rose did not resign. I know that for sure. She did not resign, but there was a time I think CS changed her position or something like that. I'm not a cabinet member. That's why I'm trying to, I don't expect my information to be like that of CS, a cabinet member. You understand me? So what I write or what I discuss is what on social media. Then if you decide to relate some information to me, of course I will appreciate it. But the one that you want, the one that is that I can go, that I can use on my program, there's no problem. I can use it. You understand? Utility is here. Urility. I hope I pronounce your name well. Can you unmute your mic? Hello. Hello. Okay. Since you don't want to talk, then I will drop you. I will drop you. So you don't want to talk. I thought you want to say something. All right. If you come in, that means you want to say something. You understand? If you want to be my co-host, you should have informed me on time. Then I can welcome you as a co-host. So you don't just come here and relax without saying anything. It doesn't make any sense to me. So please, can we buy to that? Now, this is effort of Dr. Agi. She tried her best, and like I said, she was reachable and very, very accessible, even though you don't need to be in cabinet to relate to her. I don't know about it. Maybe your own experience with her may be different, but my own was okay. And to the best of my knowledge, I know that in every organization like this, you expect the gossipers to, of course, to add. Not everybody know how to manage gossip. Some people may gossip to you, and you overreact and create more problem for yourself. Some may be there, if you gossip, whatever you want to say, you say they keep up, they just mind their business. So I'm not saying that Odari is a gossiper. What I'm saying is that I believe that is a kind of back-to-back talk between or side talk or something like that must have triggered, or maybe she'd want to relax and have some break. Having said that, let us bring to you what Wai Socha Ezenago have to say about it. You see the energy in her voice. This woman is something else. Something special, but something in a bad way. In a bad way. The cabinet have dissolved. The truth is that you did not kick yourself out. Even I am married, man. We know what happened, right? One of the reasons why you decided to go Gaga is because you notice that there's no room for you anymore. You decided to run away. You heard the rumor that there's no way you will be welcome back in the cabinet. That was why you decided to run away. You understand? And honestly, I want to talk about your role in Finland. This Finland, where that you went, PM court case that you guys decided to go there to hug and to protect. Oh, it's all about this Saturday. All right, it's about this Saturday. So we are going to pay. My eyes will be very open, very open to hear, to see, and my ear will hear what will happen Saturday. Saturday will be a special day, and I will tell you why. You know what? You know how desperate people can be. You abandon everything you are doing. If I thought you are doing anything in France, landed yourself in Finland, and just to take selfie. As matured as madam, somebody's grandpapa, and you, somebody's grandmama, because you cannot tell me anything that I don't know. This is something that is very, very clear. You went there for a purpose. It's all about fundraising. And I'm going to prove it here. This black stream is about fundraising. You can call anybody. What is the worst thing that you have not used? Like, you have called the bandits, you have called criminals, you have called kidnappers, you have called terrorists, you have called what again? Everything, anything bad, you have used it. I think you have exhausted all the negative words, right? Yet you are still not satisfied. Today you added another drama. Today's broadcast, you added another drama, shedding tears in crying. Please let me hear from Urility. Can you open your mic again, please? Let me hear you. Let me hear from you. Then we move to different liaison office. I think our papa is here with us. Urility or Urility? Can you just unmute your mic for the last time, or I will ban you, honestly, because I don't like distraction. I kick you out on purpose, knowing fully that you are not ready to talk. Then you follow the link and come back again. Then you mute yourself. Can you unmute your mic, please? Okay. Let's welcome Jafran Yazin, Japan. I think that's what I'm seeing here.
Okay, good morning from here, Mazakai. Can you hear me?
Greetings to you, sir. You're welcome. It has been long.
Yes, it's been a long time, bro. Thank you.
You traveled or what?
No, I didn't travel. I've always listened. I've always followed, you know.
Decided by a lot him.
So I want to greet my wonderful Biafran people. Good morning from my location. And it's a wonderful time period for us in this Biafra struggle. I want to thank Elohim for what he is doing and what he's going to keep doing in the life of our PM our Onyendu Supreme Leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We are so happy the outcome these days.
Yeah.
And we are looking forward for, conclusion of all these matters. Now, I was like, I just jumped in just to make this just comment because I had this terrible woman in France. What she spewed out of her mouth, my brother. Anybody listening to this woman is just messing up their reasoning, their mind, because this woman just jump and start saying what she has no single idea of. She's just, like you said, flight imagination. That is just what this woman is. Dr. Age is a very decent woman who has put in her best. And at the stage, she believed that she need to rest. And she excused herself, which is very honorable thing to do. And there is no strings attached to it. And here she is selling a narrative that she knows single nothing about. Biafrans. Biafra cabinet is intact. Our DPM is in charge and in control. There is nothing like the cabinet has dissolved. That's laughable. That is mischievous. That is stupidity. And I believe that nobody will listen to her. But for those myopic people that listens to her, they can go and continue to live in their Cloud Cuckoo land, like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said, in their fantasy island, and then remain there until when it becomes very clear and obvious to them that the government is making headway, making giant strides in everything the government is doing. So I just want to say, just let's laugh it off and trash her in the bin where she belongs. That's just where she belongs. She's just belonged to the bin, and that's it. So I want to thank you. You are doing a lot of great job for Biafrans. You are doing great job. In fact, you are now becoming the, let me say, anyway, let me just say it here. Later,
it's better you leave it there because I don't know what they're talking about.
No. Your performance these days, with others like Exodus, our dear brother, and Helena. In fact, you people say you are independent, but like you are taking the front seat in this media. So thank you.
I will not independent.
You are doing.
It's not just saying. That's what it is.
Yeah. We don't know how to explain it or express our joy, because the way you people are projecting the things the government is doing is second to none. And the government and every Biafran are grateful. GCK. So I don't want to take much time, but I just want to say that this woman is in a Cloud Cuckoo land, and she will continue to remain there until thy kingdom come. So thank you.
I am happy to hear from you. At least somebody who knows what is going on inside, not like other than outside. So everything, because I know everything that comes out from her mouth, you need to, cross-examine that, because anything is possible. She always wants to say something that will suit her own narrative, that something that will give her joy. That is why she, when she pronounced, that the way she pronounced resign, dissolved. You hear that again?
This woman is terrible. Propaganda is a very bad thing. Mazikai, I think that anyway, it's not necessary, but we just need to actually know the kind of alcohol that this woman usually drink, because I'm sure she's under the influence of something. I don't know whether it's the one they smoke in the nose or if through the ear, or
Maybe.
I just don't know the kind of alcohol.
Maybe something is pushing her. And
Yeah.
if I don't even know, I'm not sure it's just about what she take. Maybe it has to do with maybe spiritual problem. Because everything that comes out from her mouth, wow. It's funny anyway.
If this thing is spiritual, at least at the time that spirit will leave her now, the spirit cannot continue to tie her down. I mean, that spirit is terrible.
It depends on her capability and how long the spirit have lived in her for. Maybe centuries. Maybe spirits have been there for centuries, so you never can tell. It's not something that she can just will,
This woman, how could all this Ajala be, silent? She will keep on disgracing Ajala and the Ajelu in this form. Is it not surprising?
Anything about Ajala is far from her.
I'm just thinking out aloud. It's just laughable.
Unless maybe Ajahn did not go, but how can you? How can you be Ajahn? What she can't even keep the common rules and regulations that guide Ajahn, because the way she talk, the way she reacts, she can lie with anything.
Anything and anytime. That's the funny thing. Anytime and anything, she can lie. She can just open her mouth and keep on lying.
Yeah, it is. That is her style. That's her style.
It's about spiritual problem, I believe. Thank you so much.
Maybe. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Let others come in and
we have Simon and Emeka. Simon and Emeka, you are here. Let's hear from you.
Yeah, Mazikai, good evening. Good morning from my end here.
Good. The same to you, my brother. You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you very much. I want to greet all Biafrans, all that believe in the truth and sincerity. I also want to thank you. In fact, just like the last person said, you people are trying so much. Just as if that God just sent you people from somewhere and you took over the whole thing. If nobody comes out to a sort of explain what these people are doing, many of us Biafrans, some of us are so gullible. This woman, the way she handles her program, calling Ajana France, because I don't believe it's Ajana in Biafra land that she's calling. Is the Ajana in France where she is. When you talk about France where she is, you know that they have a history of deception and lies.
Oh, really?
Yes. You can see all they are doing in...
No wonder.
You can see all they are doing in African countries, telling lies and lies.
I understand you now.
Exploiting people. So I think that is what have taken over her. It's not the Ajana in Biafra land, neither in Igbo land. So where the France have taken over her, the spirit of lying, exploiting people, always want to be the edge, wherever they go. That is the same thing that she's exhibiting. So like I used to say, that woman, I don't know the English we are going to use to quantify her. She's lie personified. And I want to say she has a talent too, honestly. I don't know whether she just goes down and write all these things out. And when she opens her mouth, the whole thing is just coming as if, if you're not well at, then you might just think that all she's saying is the truth. But I don't want to know, some people, if the way she says it with confidence, and she will call the Ajahn of France, call whatever, you know. I was just thinking about something today that they say that tradition people don't lie, that it's only Christians. You can see this woman who claims that she's a traditionalist, and she even lies more than the Christians. You
The
know?
woman, she's not a traditionalist. She's not even a. She's not a Christian. She's just confused. She's just a confused woman being. She's not a Christian. She's not a traditionalist. She's just a confused woman being. You can tell why she traveled to Finland. I've said this before. Many people do what they do for personal reason. The way they
Yeah.
perceive, the way they they do, the way they assess information, they comprehend things, determine how they will react on that. Like for example, I've said it in the past. Let me repeat it again. When you want to, when you start to pay attention on how the few of them, Sia and why is such as an ago. When before they fall back, they fell back for different reasons, but they will come out in the public pretending that they share the same ideology. It's not true. Why is Soja considers her position in USB? What happened during the Trump inauguration? And her request to be in contact with, to be in charge of, men on ground. These two things is one of the major things that's because she don't want to remain, she felt that there's an opportunity for her to pick one position. Meaning that all this while PM was here, she's not happy. She's just managing that position. I thought I was in another kind of thing. Let me just since somebody can reach out to me, somebody can come to my platform and I will interview him. That kind of thing. She was so with it because of PM. Now she felt that how can you dissolve cabinet and you are choosing people, you ignore me. These are her problem. Because she rated herself higher than what me and you rate her.
Yes.
That is spirit of ego. Like you see yourself as next in line. That's people cannot do anything without you.
Yes.
But what they're talking about doesn't even rate you that high. They see you as someone who is privileged because let us just help her. Since you have that passion, let us give her a chance to air her voice, air her opinion.
Her voice.
But she felt that now that I have people that watch my program, that thing also entered her head. She started thinking that she have the right to dictate and run ahead. Then trust her people. And that's why I said praising people is good though, but not everybody that deserves praises. There's something that there's something that you reach out to them and shout praises on them. They will start thinking that is that how important I am here? Okay, let me carry myself along with the praises. That kind of thing. Before you know it, they start thinking, requesting what they don't even deserve to request. Yes. So many people are like that. Now, when they want to travel to Finland, because anytime they want to discuss about anything, if that thing entered her ear, she thinks that she's too important. That's why that information, all this classified information is going through her. When she have access to men on ground, she felt so that she's arrived. Each time she look at, she's broadcasting and have some views. Because then she used to have 500 views, 1,000 views.
Yes.
That fans were there, and
it was her comedy that was attracting people to come. Not that maybe there's something very important. It just looks her comedy and the ajana and stuff like that.
The major that maybe lately, yes, but then after the convention, one of the reasons why people watch her very well is that she was very vocal against based on that shenanigan, you understand? And then people see her as an insider who may have better information than what you see in the outside there. No other cabinet member was able to say some of the things that she said. Even her co-cabinet members don't even. Some of them were shocked when listen to what she was saying. they will be like,
Yeah.
we did not say this in our where did she get it? Where is she getting this kind of information? But they have because of what it was going on, nobody want to confront her. They just allow her to flow with that lies. Then after everything, because she thought that DPM don't have much followers, that every day Biafran will come and watch. That means she's better than serious. And I don't know how. Like our brother said that people should check the kind of
Alcohol.
I mean, now that kind of thing. So anything. Just can you imagine? It's not Van. Not only Van.
It don't show us also asco. It show not the sekui here.
Oh, you get on the go my powder. You don't know. But Ojo they go powder. Ojo they go powder. So Abaka for what is. So he got chicken and a few go about anyway. That she knows that she knows what she want to do. I don't know. And we are just saying we don't live with her. Anything is possible.
Yeah.
But we're talking about her reaction, her attitude. Is suspicious.
Yes.
It's suspicious. But now, after going to Finland today, she's not the only one that traveled to Finland, and not Mama is not the only one as well. Not two of them. There are other people that went there. But why is it that?
Mama Dabo.
Oh yes. Oh, why is that only Vam, the Eggman, and this woman? Why is it that their own is too noise? Like they're the one making that noise as if everything is is in their palm. Most of the pictures that you are seeing on social media today is from this woman. She's the one that made some of those saga posts, saga shots, saga photo, and all that. At least that video, her trip to Finland, somehow is not pushing her closer to fall back. My prayer and my request, my wish to fall back Republic, let them open the door. Now that she approved to them that she can do and don't do. She went to Finland for their sake. So let them open door and welcome her, in their midst. If they don't, that means they're not good enough. They're evil. Because she cannot just walk herself like that and you guys ignore her. Bring her Koti Zulu within 2-3 months. That's what I'm saying. Just bring her.
I'm not even sure. I'm not even sure that fallback people will accept her.
No, they will not. I'm just saying. I know they will not accept her. How can they accept her? They will not
because
accept her.
we can keep on chain at any time.
Yeah, but if they want to prove stubbornness, so I dare them to welcome her 3 months. Then I will expect fallback. If they survive 3 months, why is such 3 months or go to get? Every time that. Every time every time once again you go to get all that. So every season, we get all that. So if you want to know, go there, then you see get all that. My brother, thank you so much. And we have not even touched the video that we want to play here. Her reaction today, because the whole thing is not getting clearer to her. She's not seeing reasons why their friends are not buying the idea. She cannot feel the Saturday is not yet here, but she's only feeling the kind of that something this thing our trip may not yield fruit. And she said to say this.
I worry. So when them I about your son and Abaton and Asia, who know you for them and I buy up over now. All to even in because in and don't ye do go. But I be fair it's not when eventually go to add and I'm attack the whole Biafran government in exile. Vavam, with me in Finland. It will be media personnel from Biafran government in exile. It will be a government media team.
Anyway, do you want to say something, or should I continue playing the message?
Continue. Maybe after the video, then we'll say something.
Isom Nana Finland. Oh, what a message in the water. And that go on with even tag the special. Go on with use this message where me program. very important. Ma like kagunwa vam nyaka debunk this nonsense. Ngozi Alabugolo Fulani tinyere here. Ngozi Alabugolo Fulani, commander-in-chief of terrorists, bandit woman. A woman of their code Ozinama is under Omwaja. You don't know Omwaja and now they will just say with a group of terrorist gang group of them. When on Finland in a court, came when you call USB, which in the Finland, not a court that day, FBI witness. I don't know these people. Anything on a man on a prison. Man on a prison form one, USB. I don't know anything about USB. Woman group goes on a base. Anything about this woman group. Which now everybody open for everybody. Why Ngozi Olabugoro Fulani? That's why I never Ngozi Akukwo. I'm from our Ngozi. Because I want to Ngozi, whether you don't go to, you make sure that Ngozi when you can attack over to anything USB name. If we can't go to number one, because in attack over to anything that the USB charge card name. Go see that over to be no with them. Over to be a disaster, over at a court me. I'm one of this group. The only thing of the different government in exile. And then of different government in exile, the intact now war the diplomatic work. Now I function very well. That this USB, they are Maria. Now on a prison since 7 months now. Anything this group when they call USB, they have Malaya, they put anything and they put anything to Korea and Yana. When it goes on up Golo Fulani, they have been fundraising, tag you up at Toby again. Why? I want to know. Why it goes on up Golo Fulani, it's been fundraising on Sunday. Before it goes on up Golo Fulani, they see a picture. Oh, who know to watch ya? Fundraising goes on up Golo Fulani. Picture called it yet. Picture was called it yet. After coaching, it didn't listen. Goes on a bull of Flani. What was that picture? It's not about to be for what? Can even go on a bull of Flani? Can even our plan? Can even our practice? Somebody tell you that I don't know you. Or when if you come again, am I your existence? I'm one of you in there. Please don't put me inside this group that I know nothing about. Why? Ngozi Olabugoro Fulani now on a fundraising. Otinye picture. Now Ngozi have to say picture. Say picture of a Toby. I want to know why. Can you go to in there? Can you say because they leave? Can you find nature? All my question. And the question that talk, everybody protest about this nonsense.
All right, so let me stop it here. Let me stop her here because it is very clear that she don't understand that in the law court, you have to answer what you know. You don't answer for anybody. You have to, in law court, is a life in a head. You don't just come out and say something that you don't know. They know that even if the judge and everybody, because they said they went to they conducted the investigation on a PM platform and everything. They should have known that PM laid a plan for declaring, for re-declaration, which is the reason why they actually tried to stop it by arresting him. So they know what is USB. But when they throw that question on him, it's just to stress the case. And for you to stop it, you have to decline that you don't know about it. Truly, you don't know because PM is in before re-declaration. That was why he was not a defendant in that very thing. But you see, this coconut head people, they will tell you no, that now He said he don't know. And you see those ones that you thought that their brain is functioning. You don't know. You don't know. And she said that this thing happened in a court when they were in Finland. But last time I checked, Shamaka, have you already used that before even the last two court sittings? That PM have distanced himself from everything, that he don't know. He said that he don't even know USB charger, that he don't know USB in Nigeria. PM will distance himself from everything. This woman went to Finland and reporting it as if that thing happened in the law court immediately that day. Her president, Biafran Disunite, was using the same narrative in his own program, not one, not two, not three. That he said he don't know them. Now, the woman went there without remembering what her colleague was telling us. She's then putting it out there as if that is a new thing that now on a court. I hope they put issue of this USB. PM will say what they have. Governor, I don't understand. Okay, whether you are there or whether you are not there, do you actually expect PM to say that I know USB? How can you say that? The question is why they sue him centered in bringing. So bringing a USB in may warrant them to say, okay, let us conduct the investigation again. This USB, what they have done, that kind of thing, just to keep him out of the site, just to make sure that he's alone. They detain him the more because he's a political prisoner. That's just it. It's not something that they know even before they arrest him. They know it's about politics, and this woman is nonsense.
Mazikia,
my brother.
I'm not expecting that anyone should believe what this woman said. So is it a coincidence that the day they went to Finland, other day they didn't go, this case was not raised up? So it's just that day they went to Finland, all the fall back and fall into hellfire. That day they went that this case was raised. Are they actually talking to baby?
Not only that, did you hear the part where she said that if Obonesu court to this woman, they should start by telling her not to use Obato BS name.
Yes, I had when she said that.
What does that remind you? That Nobon and then Sulu PM truly, Sulu's DPM truly. That they supposed to focus now is stop ya use PM na fundraising. Kedin the river chete leke wa.
Any now just make a fundraising and way house.
It's for any US they go the thing before.
Yes.
Exactly the same. When they said Simon Ekpa should not use the name of.
Should not use the name of Nnamdi Kanu again.
Thank you.
All these are just repetition of events. Anyway.
Yes, they're just now repeating the same narrative, using the same narrative. And all these things are, they are orchestrated to frustrate USB fundraising. When you look at, I hope people are hearing.
That's why I'm saying that tomorrow fundraising Saturday will be special. Because
it's not even possible again. It's not possible again for them to frustrate USB fundraising. It's no more possible. There's not even average Biafra, even below average Biafra, that don't know what is going on. That don't know who this chick America is. Nobody. And he's calling what's his name? Raf. Vam. To use whatever to make program. If Raf should do that, that means two of them are on the same level. At least she didn't go to primary school, but at least I'm sure that Raf finished secondary school. So she is only dragging Vam to her own level, even though all of them belong to someone. She's not even there for Briggy fundraising anyway. She doesn't belong there. She don't even know where she belongs at this point. So that's why she's using Vam Van Van Vam is the middleman between her and the brigade. That's all this all about, you know. And they forgot the cost themselves. This one nailed this one with egg. This one nailed this one with the mouth cost. Two of them. And now they are dangling together. So their death is together.
Yeah, all these things, this woman is saying here, it is a pre-planned something. I don't believe that day they went to Finland, that the case of USB. Why should Finland be talking about USB? USB is still very young. Everything they charge
even if it was raised there, doesn't mean that PM need to come out and tell them, oh, PM, USB was my plan. I told them to declare. I don't understand what these people want PM to say.
That's why I'm saying, that's what I'm saying.
Ty, you even
it is a lie.
Ty, you even showed, was it sometime this week, where we all voted, including the noisemaker, Agadina Gofe, where all of us voted. What is the caption? What was written there?
That is it.
It's just people fooling themselves for nothing. Even you that they calling nonsense USB. Where did your vote go? That means you didn't vote, or you are so stupid, like a maggot, to the point that you even throw your vote in a stupid USB. Come on, and think that people.
I don't blame her if she, like, her own is different, because she cannot even, can she read that thing?
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Average Biafra, even below average, understand what is going on. Her own level is somebody say it's in the trash, and that's what she is.
Exactly. Let's play the video to the end so you can hear everything.
Let him go the commander-in-chief of terrorists. Only mission Biafra and Islamize the whole Biafra.
This woman is sick.
Islamization.
Islamization anything. Islamization anything. You go I don't know why.
Why are we doing that?
Because of agenda.
What I think is, what do people say to this woman's children in France?
Somebody said that she should stop disrespecting our DP. She's not. To be honest with you, let me tell you, there are some people that will call you. I don't see what she's doing as disrespect anymore. I see that, just like, imagine you now, you're going your way. You're just going somewhere, and you saw a mad person sitting on the street, sitting somewhere, along the way, and tried to insult you. The person don't know you, don't even know where you're going, don't know anything about it. Will you feel disrespected because of that statement of a mad person? Like, you know that this person is a mad person, and that mad person decided to insult you. Will you feel bad because of what the mad person said?
No, because the brain is not there. It doesn't.
So I don't see what she's saying. That's why each time she called DPM, I don't feel.
But that's why DPM don't respond to her, because she knows where she belongs. Do you know what is eating them up? They were posting pictures where they were falling on the body of Mazen Namdekar. At least I'm happy that she had an opportunity to put all herself on the body of Simon Ekpa, so that when she lay down, she can enjoy that picture very well, because that's what she's been looking for. She's been looking for that opportunity. She didn't get. She is possessed of Simon Ekpa. I'm just going to tell you that she is solely possessed. So during the inauguration, she did not get that opportunity. So she got this one and she made good use of it. So, and they took picture of her on that. So anytime she's laying down, that picture, trust me, she's gonna make good use of it.
She's
Yeah, I
going to
know.
eliminate. She's going to eliminate that picture.
She's gonna make good use of it. That's the husband that she's gonna get. I'm just telling you that. Because that was her main aim.
Simon Emeka did not understand what you are saying, but I know what you mean by that. Everybody knows that.
So that's just what played there. So
I understand what she's saying.
nothing more. That
Nothing more, yeah.
picture she got there is her husband, and that's it. All this other
You know,
magabaga she's making.
progress-
And
progress-
the worst thing is that Dr. Ngozi Odabete interrupted those pictures they were posting by posting that other picture where Simon was looking at them like the way Nnamdi Kanu look at those documents.
Yeah.
And that shut their mouth. Pam.
But she don't have husband, right?
Husband,
I don't
5
know.
children, 5 husbands, 5 different fathers.
Last time I checked, only 5 can do that.
Woman of Samaria.
I am there.
What do you think that is making her to jump from one place to another? That is a lifestyle of somebody that lives certain kind of life. And that's why she has no shame. There's no way groom woman. Look at the other lady that came out that time with her naked. Do you see how she quietly went in? You know, after there's no good, correct woman that live a better life that will be doing this woman is doing. It's because of her lifestyle. That, you know, for you to be a shawo, you will rub out anything shame because it's whatever that knock on your door, you open because you're looking for money. Everything that open, it goes. That's all that. So that lifestyle is affecting her because you can never keep one person. No, it's not. No. That's not possible. So that's part of her background. That is her main problem. Any guy that is, that's what, you know, during DOS, what was she doing? Sleeping with all the DOS members before she finally came back to join Simon Ekpa. That was what she was doing. This food that you see here, non-entity.
I keep on asking question. How did this woman came into this struggle? This woman, we don't need people like this. She's just causing problem. Lying upon lying, you know, she's a definition of lies. And she do it with ease. Like I said, she's talented in that, you know. You know, the way she formulates things is a little bit mysterious. How she formulates things, and you know, if you don't think very well, we think she's saying the truth.
It's a lifestyle. You see, when you for you to be a prostitute, you gotta find a way. You have to know how to manipulate, because you're not the only one, you know, in that place. You gotta find a way to manipulate, and that's what she's manipulating everybody. That's what she's manipulating. There's no single truth out of her mouth. She's just a big manipulator. Somebody, Simon, said with anger, I have won this woman publicly and privately. This woman, this particular person. Anybody that leave my cabinet, anybody that is better than her, boom, you become an enemy. She wants to slide you down.
Yeah.
I'm ashamed of our children, though. Because I don't, but sometimes I imagine what people will be saying to the children when they go to school.
There's an audio message where my mom said that her 21 years or 21, 22 years old boy, the first son, I think, ran away for since how many years now? And she don't even know where that guy is until now. You know, her own irresponsibility is second to none, honestly.
And it's still to what I said. There's no normal woman that would behave like this. Now,
not at all.
Her life when she was growing up as a teenager, as a lady, it's what is affecting her.
Let's hear. Let's continue with her message. So you.
Okay.
When they terrorize our land, when they put us on as bad, which is the terrorist group, call it Bago, which is terrorist party in the almost run on a party men. My question, why was it your attack of Pobatopia before them? Why was the one picture I see a picture of Batopia? This picture of Batopia is why all my question. Batopia, I don't know you. I don't know this organization called USB. The only thing I know is Biafran government in exile. I don't have function. Okay, now intact now, everybody, diplomatic mission to recognize Biafra. Why goes on a Bukulo Fulani? Picture of Tobiana Etifu, na fundraising, yeah? Or what's the what was that picture? You know the Etifu picture, yeah? Since I don't know about Tobia Kurokua, or we don't tag whatever picture about Tobia in a Congress. Did everybody argue this woman? Oh, no, I was in neither active than car.
Comment, Dada.
Give me. I don't know, Fulani terrorist. Hey, Mr. Wadro, not half of something. So, I didn't know. That can not come. I would if this if was if we are. And then my Biafran government in exile. The people are
Comment.
Anna Maya Biafran government in exile media team. Anna Mayono. And you look at everything. Oh, what do you go Baru? When do I go Baru? This one who never seen the Baru, but who don't have the accord to my attention on that this picture now. I got to put my attention on this picture. You people should react very fast.
React.
We don't react.
Why UFP to weapon a court? Why would you weapon a court? And put a good thing, or put as a bad thing. Or put an arrest warrant as a bad thing. Why? Because I won't have that as a good thing. Why are you for the Afghan government in exile? I'm an overtopian. I'm an overtopian. Why are you welcome the Afghan government in exile and court? Oh, my attitude, Najo. Now you got all this useless recharge keys not here. Not for rubbish. Attitude, Najo. Why are you welcome with the Afghan government in exile and court? Or who UFP? Because of who knows we say you got another UFP. Overtopia waiting is this because Overtopia don't know these people. Overtopia don't know that there is something called USB. He don't know it at all. Everything on there, which is this terrorist group, this terrorist organization called UFP, the church guard. Why you go see Jatado and this terrorist guard group called UFP, the church guard? UFP, form is a terrorist guard group. Is a terrorist guard group. Why? Because all about terrorist guard group which attack Obatobia before on an event. Obatobia is one of these people. Obatobia categorically more pumpy.
Can you pause this, please? Can you hold this, please? Did you hear what she said? He said that she's trying to say that the reason why Mazi Samonepa is being held is because of USB, whereby USB was declared on the 29th of November, almost
Did
a
she
week
say
or
something like
2
that?
weeks. Huh?
Did she say something like that?
Yeah,
Okay, let me take it back a
rewind
bit.
it. Rewind it quite a bit.
Why ain't you well for Biafran government in exile and court? Oh my attitude nacho. Now you got all this useless recharge keys not here. Not for rubbish. Attitude nacho. Why ain't you well with the Biafran government in exile and court? Or who UFP? Because who knows we say you got another UFP. How about the way kids is because how about the don't know these people? How about the that I don't know that there is something called USB. He don't know it at all. Why Mozart of Golo Fulani? Yet you will have that job at all yet. Everything on there with this terrorist gang group, this terrorist organization called USB, the church card. Why you go see that job at all and this terrorist gang group called USB, the church card?
Yeah. And I know tire for this thing.
USB, Mozart of Golo Fulani, formed is a terrorist gang group. It's a terrorist gang group. Why? Because all about one of the terrorist gang group which attack Obatobia before on an event. Obatobia we have one of these people. Obatobia categorically get more pumpy. I don't know anything concerning this USB. I'm in prison since 7 months now. When this nonsense, none of prison gang or where we are. None of court ever gang or where we are.
A woman is free.
Because of activity of this terrorist gang group called USB.
Because of activities.
Look at how the woman is
I'm in prison since 7 months now. When this nonsense, none of prison gang or where we are.
woman not
None of court ever gang or where we are.
because
Because of activity of this terrorist gang group called USB.
Oh, hey,
Yana.
you need to go observant too. Oh, no, now I do a question because of this terrorist gang group.
Yes, because of activities, because of the activities of this gang group.
Check out the video again. Wow. Wait.
I don't know anything concerning this USB. I'm in prison since 7 months now. When this nonsense, none of prison gang or where we are. None of court ever gang or where we are.
Then?
Because of activity of this terrorist gang group.
Everyone has a question because of activity of this terrorist gang group. Her problem is that she always runs, faster than her shadow. Her man doesn't. She's kind of a think. Now, you are claiming that people don't know this group, but she's been in court since 7 months now. That she can. This is the first time hearing about the USB. Where in this courtroom ever Nigeria question because of this terrorist gang group. Yeah, PM have already been with Finland authorities. He's already there before they declared the USB, and she is confused human being, very confused. Too desperate, very desperate. Anyway, let's hear from River Goddess is here with us. I greet you. Ojugo at the end of it, Triple M, are you here or you are still at work? Triple M, are you here? Okay, let's hear from let's hear from
with you, Kai report. Let me round up from at that time on it. I will get back to you.
okay, Marudodi. Let's continue. Let's hear from River Goddess. River Goddess, are you there? Ndubeze, unmute your mic.
Good morning, communication.
Ankine kuka mowa bano easy.
Ike bụkwara achịgidekwe m ọchị ebe a nwoke na-azọ mma mmemme nkwe ma ọkwe batakwasịrị unu chọọchị unu na-achị because ị mara na oh God have mercy. Otu a nwaanyị a nọ kịta na there is one thing my late father told me. He said that I should not talk too much, that I should talk less. So once I get home every day, then once I lay my head on my pillow, that I can record everything that I say in the day.
Yes, so when I well done.
So, but
River Goddess is here.
Yeah, we know. We called you before, but you are not able to pick the call.
River Goddess is here.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
So now that now, even in the few hours she spent on her program,
good evening, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon, everybody. Depending on your yes, I'm here. Can you hear me?
Talking already.
River Goddess, just wait for some time. Let's wait. I think maybe 2-3 minutes. Then you have the mic because Ndubeze is saying something. Let him finish his statement. Then we can come to you. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sure. Now, when you ask this woman a question of just like this, will I say the program that she's heard in this one you are replaying now, if you ask her a question about what she's saying here now, there are many of it that she won't be able to answer because of why what she is saying, she's not. I don't know how to put it. That she's not sure of what she's saying. She
won't remember what she said.
That is it. You see, then you will be like our people are very, very strong. Will I say our people or will I say some people? Because I don't know why I will go to YouTube and spend like hours listening to this person here. Why are they stable? It's not all about propaganda. The woman are they stable. Arụ adịghị nwaanyị a. Enwego mgbe mmadụ mere vidio si nwaanyị a ya ga-cheki onwe ya. Nwaanyị a dị stable. N'iru Chukwu, eziokwu m. A na-eti oke nwaanyị a na-abụrụ bel ama na nwere ebe a na-akụ mgbarịmgba. A na-akụ mgbarịmgba everywhere. Ya nọkọta ma o ruru ya o buru osisi sụwa n'ala. Ma o ruru ya o tiwezie mkpu. Ị na-ahụgoro that na onye a needed help. Hello, anụchara m ihe kwuru. What did you say?
My brother, continue.
So in all this, in Elanya, you will see that this person is not stable. One year suffer for many things. So when I go to Elanya, yes, opụta ha leba no na asụ Igbo na onye ọbụla na-aṅa ya ntị. Ota mụ anọkịta na mgbe m na-ekwu okwu yesterday, mgbe nwoke ma osi ya wee zebe na-achọ onye ọ gara okwu n'ọnụ. I made a comment saying that so many our people sometimes I don't know how they reason that for a grown adult I convinced I'm convincing you for what? So that is what is playing out here in many of whatever this woman is doing. Like when I was listening from the background, I think somebody made a comment like the woman is trying to something like to confuse our people, who can this woman, onye na-adịrọ stable, just as Mr. Kai said that, like in Aganozo, onye ara akpọwa gị iyi. You don't have to take it serious. Oh, here we lay anya echi ọchị gawa. Because onye o doro gị anya that na onye gị na ya na-emekọ ihe ahụ adịrọ ya. And ihe ọbụla i jere emesi onye akịta now, ị ga-afụ that n'ọgụ maka onye ọbụla ga-put the blame on. Because it's obvious that ahụ adịrọ this person. But nke nwaanyị a na enidiele o nidiri chair n'eziokwu m niile. I said this that same day. There was a program you made after they went and took these pictures. Just as there was another woman or previous speaker, the woman Okan online. When you guys are talking about the pictures, you like somebody rightfully said, I think is what is this name again? Prince Nwa David or something. He said that why must Ada give Simon a hug with chest and the breast? Is what this our mom is saying here. That picture is going to be whatever, like oh you didn't know no one knew why already. That is and now go buy a picture and on a bed and changing achọ ihe eji eficha be
ọ gbachakwara picture ahụ egwu
As we stand, you cannot look at this woman now and then you will say that she's stable. Why are they stable? Ndị m na-emere ebere wu ndị ya pụta kịta na ejenyewa ya ntị. Before Wanye bido her propaganda, it's not just like she was talking about USB before and whatever, praising our DPM. But there is one thing about me, I don't like propaganda. Even before she starts speaking against our DPM or USB, I've already left her platform. That I will know whatever this woman said is maybe as you are playing it on your platform or Kelena played it on her platform. That's the only time I will hear anything from this woman here. Because one thing I don't like is propaganda. It's like, now you need to no here. Those days, I can remember you need. Mbona ona Mazi Simon mecha program. Maybe he called to side if he send there on a platform. Next thing I know, we don't want this thing here. We don't want this thing here. Please, you can go to his platform and do this. Immediately it continue like this. When I make a post to Simon group power for information. Because whatever every group for information. Group are now for Biafran. Now your logo out in the group because I how many good reasons now ọnwa na-agbazu gị were ego n'ijiri eji asị gị na ego eji aza meeting gị were enye gị slip gị jide n'aka. That was how I left that group. It's to keep playing out in this woman. I'm telling you. So in all this, our people, as I said at the earlier of this, some of our people shirike because I can never sit down. Kangwaze gị maazị ịma mgbe m tetere ụra log in online ma voice nwaanyị how irritating odd more log out but I couldn't sleep understand because more magodi that no time tetere na nwere ike nọrụcha ya ka for before more again before more log in again I like the president ndị ga-anọ ọdụ 1, 2, 3 hours na-anga nwaanyị ante na mkpọtụ ọ na-eme. But still on sale, our people, you still see them na her platform commenting. Ojuga na wareze. The other day, you're gonna say hit your like button, hit your like button. You hit when nagini. The program email the same day. Nwaanyị ya na Chiamaka jere Finland na-ese foto I call on that program. More agwara that now. This is where this thing is going. He said to us. He said. Meanwhile, some people who don't use their brain will still believe that mgbe ahụ ha na ha na-ese foto, no, you leak some information, no, you agwa some things. I knew this is where all this thing is going. All that pictures that they take now, Malielu, all for propaganda. Take that picture.
Yeah.
That is first. But even they will I say that they are transparent, that you can see the other part of them that before they will say anything.
It is very, very obvious.
It's too much. It's too much at this time that if he later na email go. This is the same comment Mazi Simon used to make this time, those days mgbe ya na DOS na-akwa ya. Ọ sịrị that na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu make a 2 step ahead. Adochie ya 10 to 15 steps behind. This is the same thing that is playing out here because ndị a niile na-ejekwe na nke nwaanyị a ụkwa ndị nke niile agbasa like na-enwere anything to offer than keep your receipt. Keep your receipt. Onye gba mbọ gbacha ya.
Let us hear from River Goddess, okay?
Okay, thank you, Mister. I am still here.
Thank you, Ndubeze. God bless you.
Oh. Hello, Mazekai. How are you doing?
I'm doing good, and you? You're welcome.
Yeah, this my brother that has that spoke last, and one of my sister that I was hearing her voice, she has said just what's on my mind. But the only thing I want the Biafrans to know, any person who is a medical personnel, either you are a doctor or you are a nurse, and with medical assessment, initially I was with this lady, I noticed this. You understand? She is not okay mentally, emotionally. She is not okay. She has an issue. Even when she is talking, look at her eyes, look at her neck, look at the strength that is destroying the power that she's using to put forth things. Some of them we treat here. There are some that now wake up, they will start talking from morning till night. They don't even sleep. That's one of the traits. Are you listening to me, Mazekai?
Yeah, very clear.
That is part of them. That is their food. You have to give them meds for them to even take a nap. If they don't take a nap, they will continue talking from morning till night, non stop. We call them radio without wave. Just the same thing like this woman. But the only thing that is at times I do ask myself question, what of the people that are mentally stable that are in her platform? Because if onye ala na-eso onye ala, equally, gị nwa na-eso onye ala bụ onye ala.
Exactly.
When we say obsession, I thank God for men that are disciplined, and I thank God for women that are disciplined. Let me tell you, this woman is Delilah. Even Delilah is better than this woman. She has ulterior motive agenda. Like what my sister said, what happened? You went to court and you went to embrace and you went to kiss. And you are not ashamed of yourself. One thing is, assuming na ọbata obie, this, ịma na o nwere efe ịkpọ nwaanyị a, ndo ife ịkpọle ya bụ the main thing, eze na-agụ. That's the good name. Do you know what is happening now? This woman is raising secret fund, sending to Biafra Unite. That's why yes. That's why with group, yeah, when this issue came to see how God say alaputafa, this free man equal to Onye, when they were planning to go to Finland, this free man equal to Onye say, is it easy to bring out 900 euros? So, meaning because this was an urgent travel. Then people that are on this woman platform and people that are still listening to her, this woman has come out to say a whole lot of things. She has an agenda and she has masters. Because Dr. Ngozi Arabeze, I thank God the way she does her thing. On her little by little. When I listened to her concerning what happened in Finland, which didn't come out until recently, how there was a police people around, trying to disrupt, Ifaneme, go where but to go be the glory, Chineke use Ngozi, wee imago, maybe if actually me. Then I could remember then Emma Deadstone, Emeka Deadstone, there was something there na stuff ya wall ya ndị polisi ga-ejide na ndị polisi ga-arapụ. Then it is this recently ka mbịa wezielu my mind wee na connect wee say, oh, no wonder a na-asị na Finland, so they wanted maybe or maybe ka ejide COS so that everything imago ga-akụbashi. Then, obsession again, I want to say, Emma, when Mazi Simon Ekpa was there, this woman is a noisemaker. She wasn't happy at all concerning the first Lati that they went. There was a lady that misbehaved. I think Blessing is her name. And she asked for forgiveness. I think she apologized. I think at Finland, Obatobie, accepted her or that. This woman with her so much obsession, yes. Like what my sister
you're
said.
Right. That's what happened.
I cannot forget.
Yes.
And I thought it was just like a joke, or something. It's now that things are happening, that thing may something. It went beyond obsession.
Yes, obsession. That's the right word.
Even though Kurusina this convention I get man up what Obatobia, no one somebody should game Obatobia something, and I put beside Obatobia, no guy put anybody be close to him.
They are close. And somebody, Madam Idato, there is this woman, though she on a platform here, Idato, and I see her, ride on. See her, yes. Ekele dịrị Chineke ijela Finland iwe bakuo bata obie wee gosi na ịbụ mama ya na mama ya abịago nwe sị curse be you mothers that say na ada bụ mama ọbata obie na nlọ nkọ na ife kwa na mmadụ telling you that the people in that platform that is they are all demonized. Then when you see this talk here, and if this lady who I am just praying to God, what you don't know is bigger than you. This hog, my sisters know ye we put blanket when I long Lord you got to go when I cherry. Because now, or do we hear possible need so on all over Sahana and Ganyona and selling or not long non law back or the corner. I don't blame Emma. We are women. At times, we need to do some little something. Enwere ife nwoke na nwanyị nụrụ di na nwunye bi n'ụlọ. Enwere ife na-adị iche. People, this woman, this progress the analyst who put that in we do we nature ya. You don't have a bicycle where you there ride. You are not riding any bicycle at all. Let me tell you, don't know what is orgasm. Because if to say you the orgasm, you have a man, my dear, you will not be on platform 2-4 hours. You will be smiling. That's the frustration that is killing this woman. Yes. Because everybody has run away from her. Only all that is Okimo Shishioka, Okoche, Yokubecha, Roptazis, Yana, Boya can come. Somebody who is a drunk,
ịmakwana ife ahụ ụnụ wọchị anya ọfụma, ọ na-agbanye kaikai na bọtụ, ọ na-aṅụ kaikai ahụ, ọ na-eme ihe ọ na-enwe. Mgbe kaikai ahụ bịara ya n'isi, otike off. Why we are saying all this, and we are not saying it against you, Mary Chika Ike, but you cannot deceive everybody. You will deceive only people that want you to deceive them. Because platform guy pụtara na-eti mba, YCOS ga-eji wee jiri aka. Achọrọ m ịjụ gị, Mary Chika Ike, woman leader, ndị British. Why not start doing something if you feel that na ahụ emete ya ọfụma? You know, on your platform, do you watch your program? When you finish your program, do you revisit your program? Do you rewatch your program? Do you see what you do? Because it's that dragging. Progress the analyst. Yeah, you need your match.
I'm telling
Progress
you.
the analyst. You have been taunting me. Now I am only analyzing what you're doing. And you told Progress the analyst on your platform yesterday that your platform is a hollow platform, that you cannot play any of her team again in your platform. Why are you running away? To tell us this woman is not normal, this woman is sick, this woman knows what is about to befall her. This woman has no place both in Brady, both in USB. This woman, for the fact, only one thing they see, most USB. What is the meaning of this USB? It's United States of Biafra. And that is what we are fighting for. That is what you and I is fighting for. This woman said, no, was the United States of Biafra. So, or Brady Kaigazawa as a nation. So all this thing that is happening, thank God, internet never forget everything. And there's something that happened that my sister said here. You are so observant. Something their cabinet. This is what happened. Sonia Barawa and this Ofeke Ezenago Fesiro Fuzaga. There is a problem in that place. That's why Eggman was looking for external affairs, that is external help from this man, Anna Mark. Yes, that's why he was looking for external force from Ezoku Bondo and from Thousand Teeth. So the thing has got a problem in the cabinet. Their cabinet is like Katado. That's why he was holding Ajere. You understand? And Ajere, because Ajere, we run a Finland. We were a kai would you Ajere isi Ajere we were kai way through. Yama take his the podium. Ajere Amazi Hane. Ajere Amazi Amasu.
That was my second day now. Not the second day.
On the second day. Because they should not have anything to do with Biafra Unite. And all their accolade is going to Biafra Unite. So that's why Ajere, there was a problem. That's why Ajere took off. Then, that they are drunk. If you play that in very well, so that they are drunk, that is how bullshit. Then
yes,
in the public space. Yes. Yes. You are just a public disgrace. Now look at public place. Now again. This was a man that used egg. So if you look at the cost of this egg, it's now affecting both of you.
Both of them.
It has effects. Now it's a boomerang. Both of you is sharing in the courses. That's why you came and disgrace yourself in the public place. And you got no shame. And then I rest my mind. But what I am saying, whatever a man sow, that he shall reap. We are not deterred and we are not moved anymore
otu ọbụla aka onye wetara eweli ya wee soli ya. Thank you very much. I rest my mind.
Thank you so much, my sister. God bless you. Ah, God. Triple M, are you back?
I'm back, my brother. Yeah, when you think you've seen it all, one day. Kai, biko onye nọ na-asa arụ, onye ara abịa kporo akwa ya gbawara ọsọ, ya gbara ọtọ chụwa onye ara. Ole onye ha na-abụ ole onye bụ onye ara biko. Onye ga-eju ajụjụ a bụ maka ndị esi ga-egide ada ga-asụ onye ga-eme ya nke a. How can you be suing a mad person? You know, in the Western world, all you want the worst thing he gave him. He got onye ara police. Police is therefore not onye ara.
You will not keep me.
Yeah?
You will not keep me with laugh.
Listen, you know.
This man is on
a madman will never believe that he or she is mad.
That's right.
He's calling you mad. So that is how it is.
Any mad person wagon had on mad. Wagon had the mad. Yeah, I don't mad now.
Yeah, are they mad? No, I joined Humble Lion today yesterday on his program this morning. He brought one of the broadcasts, our DPN merge, which this one Ishocha, when she's still in the Biafran government. As in when the fallback republic, are trying to raise their doors, and yes, this is the program. Then, my brother, when you listen this woman finish, and there are many types of message that she have already dropped about about Biafran government.
Akpọrọ ya na fon okwe ha abata iwe kpọwazie na Kristo nwere asistant Chioma Okoma dara obi Lubi Nnadi dara obi Lubi Nnadi osodu n'ihe amazikwa Joy Ilobi dobi
ọkwa ịfụ na ọ pọzọ ya na ndị mmụọ kpatara obere nkata
Nogodu otu ọ dị. Nogodu n'otu ọ dị.
Chioma Okoma dara obi Lubi Nnadi dara obi
na-ege ntị ya na m ọkwụkwọ ya na m ekwugo
ntamu
dobi Chioma Okoma onyuleri Bishop Comfort dobi o nwekwara nwa na akpọkwara oku ọ bọtakwara obi onwe nke kwere ekwu okwu because ha plan bie kọwara na ibe unu dere unu ndụ at least ebe chairman unu anọghị ya ndị ọzọ na ya ndị anọ ya anọ kọwara na the meaning of letter unu delu onwero nke kawanwurunu onwero nke kwere ekwu okwu bancha niile udube dakpusicha omi eyi akpawazie esizi sikpọ ịma mmadụ abụ isi abụ okpu okenye nọ n'ụlọ ma ehu anwụọ n'ọgbụrị ịma mmadụ abụ agbara gị ụdị mana ọnwụ na nwa afọ Igbo 100% ụrụ nwa aja ụrụ nwa Anedo na Nnewi true 100% nwa Anedo. You can never remain the same. or walk with threat. No, not reality. Oh, one will not Chineke do like 10 years, 20 years, 30 years to live. Iji wee no no. A man that in that tip, after Chineke do elegi, wafo, iye ji wee ta afofo. So sa afofo, alele, agoni, ki iye ne ebe na ndụ gị. Ontere mposi ya Chineke ya asị gị, ozugbo. Because na ife imele ụmụ Biafra, ọkachasị ndị nne ahụ, ma nke nọ na wishi a wee bịa, adịba mmadụ one ma one. Ma nke fentịrị na that hall, eburu juu n'ọgwụ. Ịma na o nwere heart problem. Onke jizi kwara ibe were bịa na snow, ede capable to bịa na that snow protest here. Ịma mmadụ abụ. Okay, for pain of this woman. Okay, for pain, ụmụnwaanyị a. Ahụ mgbu ụmụnwaanyị a jebigala na Finland for that 5 days. Ịma mmadụ abụ. Inwenataghị ike. Oles na ewu nwa aja. Ewurugodu nwa aja. Oles na ewu nwa aja. Asị m yes. Na ị na-fightere mmụọ bụ ibe ebe chọrọ ka ị fight alafa. Mana ọnwụ na nwa aja na nwa na-edo nnewi eziokwu niile. Ịma mmadụ abụ never in this world. Ndogo adụkwa ka ọ dị possible.
Today, Imam Madabu is honorable.
Now, Kai, when you listing all these things, now, you know, one thing about our people is that we easily forget. Thank God for social media. Now, I don't know how this woman feels by going back to her previous programs. This is why Progress the Analyst brought a particular program she made and used it to talk to her. She came out and, accused our DPM that it was our DPM that sent that video to Progress the Analyst. Okay, now for and I blame our people that always go to her platform and listen to her.
I'm telling you.
I don't know. I blame them.
Person that
you see. Yeah, anything, all the things he said, she usually say. No verification. Nothing. Once she got information, she jumped at. Emma, on a Wempali. On a Wempali. Oh, Bell. You see, this woman today, Acharugo. I don't know if you know Acharugo.
Oh, damn, my dear.
Yes.
You see, Acharugo will be far much better than her. Even today, you see this woman. You see this woman. You see Emmanuel Oremijus. You see Ajere. These people, they must go and they apologize to DOS.
But this woman, Oremijus is not quite the same category.
What do we need an apology for? What?
I say they will go and apologize DOS because why I say they will apologize DOS is that because what they accuse DOS, it's not even accusation. What they fought against DOS is what they are doing now, and their own is more worse. Their own is going to be more worse because they cut deep. They really cut deep. They allowed themselves to be used. You know, this woman she made it clear to us that this is the time and the season. The reason why she came out for this particular struggle is now, not even all those things that she has been doing, that she is doing it to get inside, to know what is inside, that she have so many secret things about our DPM that she will bring it up. One day, I can change the We are still waiting. We are still waiting up to today. Nothing has showed up.
I have a question for Simon. Anytime I will know, I have a question. He's gonna tell us how he got this woman inside the cabinet.
You know, the way you can't blame. It's just like he blaming our leader Mazen Nandekano for having DOS. When our leader Mazen Nandekano was shouting in wilderness, talking, the available. They say that when the desirable is not available, available becomes desirable. The criminals that have no job, the criminals that has no job in Europe, see it as an opportunity. Chike Doziem, akwa car washer, onwedị adịrọ ka ọ nọ, car washer akwa adịrọ ka ọ nọ. Ọ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, tru Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ka o ji nweta akwụkwọ na ihe IPOB. O ji gata obere school ebe ọ gadọ. And to cut the long story short, those criminals, they feel that they have gained ground around Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, then build a mighty bridge that will not allow any reasonable person to come around. They now see this particular agitation as a career. They are with Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, thereby giving zoo government information, collecting money from them. That's why when our PM surfaced, they try all they could to push our leader Maazị Nnamdi Kanu to bridge the contract and the relationship. Our Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, being the person that knows what he wants, he see person that that have the same vision and the same motive that he has. He now followed him up. But those criminals around him, no headway. Whatever Maazị Nnamdi Kanu brings up is what they go with. Instead, they will rather, if Maazị Nnamdi Kanu bring any idea to move forward, they will thwart it and trash it, keeping him on ground. Then when our leader, our PM comes on board, our leader Maazị Nnamdi Kanu saw the person that God said this is the person. They try all they could. That's why when I look at some people today, I keep asking myself, is there something they know that we don't know? Because if you have been in this struggle and you have been following it, nobody need to tell you who is doing the right thing and who is not doing the right thing. Because you will see it. It's by what they do. It's not even by photo or deception. It's the action they take, what they see, what people see is what we move by. Instead, when our leader Maazị Nnamdi Kanu was taken away, they turned 360 degrees, leaving Nigeria behind. Now focusing on our PM. Okay, those in Briggy, they are talking. I have said it before. We have two types of Briggy. Briggy is the one our leader, our PM, instituted and was dissolved after our declaration. The other Briggy is the one of Briggy of CRC. They formed, and that particular Briggy of CRC, they are not known anywhere. No document that back them up as a Briggy. The real Briggy we are talking of, all the documents of that Briggy is with our DPM. Documents of USB is also with our DPM. Even those Briggy documents is with our PM. They have no access to it. When I look at Elias, I call him Nkena Jubehara because Jubehara is still a small boy. Oh my God, all the opportunity, their country, they okay, yeah, no, never. Age na Zoom, age na Biafra and self, Maya Cananiari. He opens mouth to say Biafran people elected Ogenkri as acting prime minister. We are in a world that the person in power is not yet died. Is alive. Nothing happened to that person. They elect acting, and he calls himself a lawyer. Honestly, I don't really know. These guys, when they do something, I don't know what they see us. I don't know if they see us as if we are Dundee or we don't even reason. We don't have in fact, Obrana guy now. I don't know. So, my brother, my fellow Biafrans, we must continue. Today is our weekly referendum day. So after all the shenanigans, after all the things they do, every Saturday we know who is who. We know we have Biafrans. We know who Biafrans are following. Because Biafrans will always give the results every Saturday. It doesn't matter what they do. It doesn't matter what they all the shenanigans they do. Now, Bam 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 the other time on his program were like saying when that thank God that Briggy have sued Rabu Fulani and his and her co-host that we are waiting for them. They can never escape this. Then I was like asking after at the end of it all, he said that people are asking what is Briggy is doing, what are they doing? Now they can see what they are doing. Now have they seen what they are doing? Manele, if they ask you what you have been doing, what issue your fellow Biafra, that is what you have been doing since over 6 months. I'm a nature. Honestly, it's quite appalling. At this present age, everybody na akọ na ala n'oge atọzi na ihe na-eme na ala Biafra na ihe ndị Fulani na ndị gọvanọs na-eme ji Fulani emega n'ala Igbo. Ha nọrọ hia na-ezuzugharị.
Nsu achievement. God of mercy.
I am telling you, on the program here. On the program.
I watched it.
That's achievement.
That's doing USB achievement.
Okay.
It's part of their achievement. Since people are asking them what have they been doing, what is Biggie doing since the 6 months? He presented that as one of their achievements.
That is the only achievement, not even one of the achievements.
Oh my God. My brother, let's continue. You can give another person. I'm still here. When it's time for me to talk again, I'm still here. Thank you very much, my brother. We are winning the fight actually. We can't stop. And the another thing is this, this particular course, once you are on the right track, the Lord of Biafra will be upon you. Even anything you speak, our PM said it. At times, he will not even have anything on ground or what. But once he utter the word, you see it come to pass. Our DPM, when this criminal woman, man is your chan, Emma, Ophil na Yama, only fans, or man fans, the love of Biafra. Once the ocean attack happen, man, no one flusher by allowing player. Ya na abụọ ya ya wụrụ na ọ na-ekwu okwu ndị midia na Biafra nwere midia si ga-abịa ya na-ajụ asị ele ebe midia nsọ nọ enwe midia nsọ ndị onwe ndị otere onwe ndị otere na-achị ize aka izi na wa DPM na tawa DPM gara colonize our people akwụ ha ụgwọ. I bring that question to her during our PM time. I don't know if I did it. PM ọkwụwa ya ụgwọ apart from is PM paying them? Even I was looking Odemejuice. He's still saying the same thing. Kai they can't you and then Hakogo and the DPM Nakogo. So I was asking him and Odemejuice. PM Anana fighted DOS. PM Okwago. If PM Progo, then Mazen wasn't the Ogo. I got him.
I'm got that guy. Someone I want to know what mental issue before I'm
Seriously,
somebody want me. I'm asking no what go record before.
Imana agwacha onye ara ntamu ga-adụ de.
Mana ama m eziokwu sha, o wiko bonaje.
No, ọ bụ na ị ga-otu that dem Remigius si ekwu okwu. Ya na this nwaanyị isi ọcha na France. Hana bull the same way kaji yet. Nde enwebe mental issue before, honestly, seriously.
Time.
Okay.
Kai Emma, Ima ara dị n'ụdị n'ụdị enwere ara wee dị na-agbuli asị elu apụta ha agbulela.
Now, do you know why this woman decided to make this program? Because, like for example, this video you are watching now, this one. Just pay attention. Just pay attention. What is?
So
No. Not this one. Not this one. Not this one.
But I be fair because when I come out and shout, and you know exactly what is going on, you fight me with engage them with media war. After engaging me with media war, you covered him goes with him, put on the man with the man. Now, if I know so, design more. There is many people, design also, one of my financial. But the only thing that now will stop using our picture. You don't use our picture, his picture before.
No.
You want to tell me that all is fucking Biafrans?
All right, let's go from here.
Now you come here now. Everything that they suffered for. Our leader Martin now they can suffer for. Sacrifice for. You're here. You want to tell me that all this sacrifice is in vain. It's not.
You know, our sister River Goddess said you should pay attention to her eyes and her neck. So this video proved that. Honestly, I don't think that she's okay, to be honest. But you will see her trying to fake tears. Trying to fake tears that she's, she care about Biafra. She's really emotional. She's, she loved Biafra so much. Because on the first night, this trip, Haga, when I Finland now, no, these are okay. Somebody said, Evans, I can say English. What my English, Evans, I can.
The woman is very tricky. She's very tricky.
It's not getting clear to her now that this weekend that thing is not like she don't trust the activities. Now she want to add it with the tears, emotional blackmail, trying to be
emotional.
He's trying to play. She's just trying to act. You will see that here now. Watch.
Possible. It's not possible. As to the whole Biafra, we tell them because all our people of Fulani is not possible. For how many years? 60 years in DSS. For 7 Biafrans people life. He sacrificed everything that he has for we to live. For Fulani bandits, criminal. Don't take over our land. Don't buy our people. Don't Islamize us by force. All the sacrifice in prison. All the everything that he has. You want to tell me that all these fucking Biafrans, this question goes for you people. Ndibo. This question goes for you people. Are you going to keep quiet? For about our leader Martin now they carry 6 years imprisonment because of our life for you to save us. Are you going to tell me that you're going to leave this terrorist woman, call Fulani, to destroy everything? The woman for that matter.
A woman for that matter.
Then I even buy every day. Terrorists in the school attack.
Every day. Someone warn you about it, and I buy every day.
Attack.
Kai, when you were here, did you understand something here? This place,
What is that?
This place also see our leader Maznan Karo, see our prime minister be in imprisonment for 6 years. Connect the dots. You know, the lawsuit prosecutors were to imprison our PM for 6 years.
Yes.
Now, we are connecting the dots. What is that in now? I can equip now. What does that have? Yeah, or we not here plenty. Man, I lekwe born a gay. Now, now, oh yeah, one of the matter has been concluded. You see this woman, Oga had well, we are going somewhere.
This is her latest broadcast of today. Oh.
But give me a point now. That's what I'm saying now. He's trying to let the people, you know, people say she doesn't speak English. So if she wants to communicate with the people, or Trokahania, on bank or Gaman or Ganata English, or Anna Atalia. I'm not to Stokum.
Yeah.
Or that's English, may I better here, not imagine Ajana. Man, I actually send the message to people or Trokahania, yeah, we're English. How come no Jena said that now? Will you stay? Will you stay and watch our leader our PM go into jail? Will you allow him go to Rabeze? What does Ngozo Rabeze have to do with our PM and our leader?
I am telling you, my brother.
That is why Ojuoku was saying that the activities of Ngozi Arabeze we hear Maze Samone Baibe.
You see this woman is an agent. An agent. If you could remember, before was Rika, that was last year. On the program Austin that na so Iwanyangu Asmo was Rika Iwanyangu that na Iwanyangu did somebody happily on a phone. Ojo, excuse me. Ojo niya Ataragodo Fulani.
Yes, I know.
It's that those people now, they are not communicating her. She is here. That's why our PMGC, this woman is up to something. I have advised her more than 10 times. She's up to something.
Your own is more than 10 times, so you can count your own. This one is a destruction from the pit of hell, and she has the master Ndizirioro. Akwe frihema the book mere na DOS ka this woman nwere agenda until una for agenda tackle onya. She has an agenda. But God, ike Chineke kakariri ike ya.
And that is why Oju Obiasi no independent broadcaster call.
Independent journalist. This was what she told me. This was what she told me. I'm not saying no. Yeah, actually. Because when I was dealing with her, I said, if he name it's not right. Or say that na ye jindu ya we nwo yi na ya manzuike until you destroy your own way. When I say onwe, was not until you destroy ya Ngozi Arabeze. She has an agenda. We say, Kedifo Megi, just tell me one thing this woman did to you.
You understand?
Okay, mpoya now. Achom ka Biafrans gente. Ife ejiwe na-ekpe anyị ikpe, ejiwere mma anyị stamp bụ terrorist. Oh ya bụ ife ji mma anyị ikpe. Then kedu ezigbote nwa afọ, why I'm saying this bụ unu bụ ndị nọ na platform this woman si na unu na-azọ Biafra and somebody is calling that Biafra terrorist. It's not about Ngozi, but I want your conscience, your subconsciences, your spirit man to be awake. Man na unu terrorist.
Today's fresh one.
Go one side. When you look at her neck is never straight. When she's talking, watch her. Her neck is going one side. I'm a medical personnel. I told this woman, go to hospital. You have issues. Yeah, kwechire. Say your vocal cord is not good. Oh, kwechire. Listen when she's talking. Her voice. that voice box is about to shatter. You will cry. Ibe akwa n'ụtụtụ ihe ebe n'abalị, ibe abalị ibe nke nde.
Now, Kai, are you aware this so-called CRC? Are you aware that is this woman that caused the institution of that CRC?
Yes.
Oh, because of Yanwa problem here and there. I be a cabinet meeting. Utakage ute yaga we na bam bam bam. Oh ya no genkere. Yaga we no genkere. Oh COS. PMGC makes the institute that CRC. Can we attack no issue wala potano? Oh, because of Yanwa keji menate useless committee. Oh, because of Anoma because of the agenda of problem here and there. Oteka you know during the time of Omada, Oteka Okuna na taba kwa ira ngaha kwa. Ya batana media, Otakwa, ebo blogger and kosa. Anyway, continue.
All these things.
If my friend work na akwa fake no peteria. Olu few seconds. We don't go again. Upon get to shoot for make you watch here here. Just patch of come what I am now watch. Few minutes or continue where for them.
I don't know what to say again.
I don't know what to say. Oh no, pay attention here. Now what? Now they would never again.
And we have everything. Are you people going to keep quiet?
Manipulator.
Your life is no more
Your man.
than saving our life.
Omoto is so bid akwa na force here.
On a process is something. Can I process and I will not watch?
I don't know what to say again. I don't know. When I go and
Man, we're used to your tears.
It doesn't give joy.
Obedi oge nkere. So ọwụghị nnukwu ihe.
Actually, we're used to her tears. It doesn't move us anymore. That's how you know manipulators.
Yeah. She also said that Oge Nkere is killing our people. So the woman doesn't have shame at all. Bebe, oh.
Now you know we love you.
Yeah, I know John what they do as okay for sympathy.
Now watch again. Now watch now. Open now watch. How many seconds go take you? Or can do broadcast? Are you the emotional? The assignment is done. Over there.
Onye mo ego n'oge nkere kwụrụ ya n'akwa.
I could hear anything. No, this is who she is.
Oge Nkere ọkọ nwere efe love ha efe dị anụ.
Akwa na ebe obechi obidobe.
Hey, Chineke. This woman and Nollywood need njem just nji ha needere nje kpọrọ ya.
Nollywood ka ọ gara atụ ọfụma.
I'm telling you.
On a deka you carry no
On back.
Hey, you are bright, Kwana.
You want again now?
Hey, you are bright, Kwana.
Manipulator. This is a serious manipulator.
Everybody can when more so say that this man you not kill somebody. Also, if this hero was when we check go back.
Anya ka ji ose na ndị Nollywood ndị niile nje kpọrọ nwaanyị a eziokwu ha na-eme isi ihe ebe a
We go cameraman one day.
manipulator. Hi.
Very bad one. Very bad manipulator. Nasty.
Hi. Thank God that this woman left USB. I'm telling you.
I'm telling him.
Miracle number one. That was the first miracle.
Wow, if that. Now watch. Just pay attention. This part I can't even play this video. But I get not good. Now what's the voice? The phone model to say wow.
Wow. You are right.
Now you got message. On the line, a message. Come on, and the buyer and sympathize with her.
Yes.
I sympathize with her.
I can say, what put that time?
Video Kenena.
Wow.
That nobody should insult Kenena at all. This video. No,
I can say, what put that time?
This woman, Ikego, I'm a from Manaiko.
Mazikia. Mgbe ahụ bechara akwa ahụ bịa nene na comment section ka ọma na onwere onye ga na asị ada dị ọrịa mmanya ebe na onweghị onye ọfụrụ owo tizie hia hai ebe a ka ịfụrụ mmadụ here. Hello, Mazikia.
Is Mazikia there or is muted?
I don't know. Every place is just quiet. It seems he has some issue. Since he has an issue with his network.
My progress the analyst. Go case one go ya go ya final. They deal with her. And she's running away. She's running away from progress the analyst. And on the gossip on na new papu there.
So basically, you will say, I cannot talk about you in this platform. For what? So she go nowhere. Progress say
Mba,
go nowhere.
o nwere ebe ọ na-aga.
Progress
So the narrative one ya na-play kịta wo na ndị Fulani wụzi Ngozi Arabeze wụzi ndị Fulani nyanwa wụzi ndị Nigeria. That's the problem Biafra nwere kịta na wụzi Ngozi Arabeze. Is this woman kidding me? Eh?
Ngozi bụ Fulani gaa na
She
Benue
cannot
wee
sell.
jee gbuo ụmụaka.
She cannot sell her platform without mentioning Ngozi. So she's just benefiting from Ngozi's name. That's all. She's catching up with Ngozi's name.
What killing? Kenkewo every day na na-enwe killing. What killing? Is that not a lie?
Do you remember that it's the same killing that Simon warned her? Every time this woman will come out, they're crying in the bar, and they're in the bar. The same thing is Simon said, I've warned this woman inside, I've warned her more than 10 times privately. This particular woman.
Please, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you, Mazike.
I don't know. I was hearing everything, but you guys were not able to hear anything from me. I don't know what is wrong. Anyway, I was calling on Madam Origin to open her mic so you can hear from her.
Oh, well, my people, ndị be anyị ekele m. Na-ekwuchala ihe niile, you've said everything. The only thing I have to remind us is, for me, the only way to answer this woman is go do referendum. Let her know that USB is alive and well. USB is moving forward. We are here to protect our nation. We are here to build our nation. We are here to make ourselves proud. This is a lifetime opportunity to build a nation of our own, and she can't stop us. So on our book, I nwere ebe a ga-edowe ndị ahụ. I want a place for her. We are going to equally build a place for her where if she insists on coming to our Biafra, because Biafra is USB, USB is Biafra.
Yeah.
And yes, so tomorrow. Oh, for some people are already on Saturday.
Yeah.
So we see everybody at the fundraising place. I'm preparing a special number. I hope to be able to present it. You know, we are here to build our nation. That's all I have for her. Ngwadmazikai, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, my sister. So let's hear from I think who again?
Beg, if you have her number, why is she in France? Check America. If you have her number, send her a link. Go be able to daughter tomorrow. Now calculate. By the time
You don't need to invite her. She's always there. She's always there.
So that by the time on her feel bidding, her blood pressure will be going up more and more.
Blood pressure. Blood pressure.
At all.
Blood pressure. I tell you, I'm not pieces.
Kai, because I'm requesting, bring out that video. Yana, yana, the mafia, van meru na Finland. Ebe oga hangara kai putana street Finland.
It's from that video. It's from that video. It's from me. I don't have the video. I would have just played it for you. Even when you were saying
check progress the analyst
yes, progress the analyst.
Okay, I will try that.
You know, enter this house. Finland. ịghọtago ọsịa na ebongeme ya hafụ ebongeme anya nke ahụ iri na public nwunye vamvamvam na-echie vamvamvam na ị na-aghọta so
progress dịkwa tough o.
Hey, mba sị gị na progress dị n'ọrụ. Oh my God.
Ịma why ma ibe fa na
Now.
ma ibe fa
Mmejikwa just subscribe na that progress. I don't follow kwe.
Once I have the signal pump, I just go watch. Yeah, on our door. But if you know when Adadi or Rama Potasi, okay. Now Van 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 is a man, an Igbo man for that matter, and he will never talk to you again. Nah, progress to do ya pam. The next morning, yeah, before you know it, Van 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 what
okay, know how to smoke you out.
Try.
Ọ bụrụ na asị na Ngozi our COS ọ bụrụ na asị nnọọ na o nweghị ife o meela anyị na USB at least nnọọ oche o nyere nwaanyị isi ọcha dị ezigbote ọlụ COS lụrụ afọ ya anya and nobody would have done that
I'm
except
telling
her.
you,
So
nobody.
I give
Yes.
COS kudos.
Yes.
It's a very great job. No man
Yeah.
can do. But
Very
the grace of God
great
was upon her
job.
life to
Oh
take
my
this
God.
woman out. So onye si na o nweghị ife COS lụrụ onye agha ya alụ
That's number one job.
Yeah.
Take this woman out. Now,
Only the complete suspension. That's about suspension, sacking her completely out.
Well, do you see since she left, because she's darkness, you don't before you get message from the cabinet now, it's hard. It's hard.
All the one they leak message in here now.
You know, I was doubting that until Chiamaka Jere made a video.
And
where
she
he
was
said,
the one. No, she was the first person that always say, the people that are leaking out or giving
Clicking that
information
message,
out.
yes.
Giving them-
Yes, yes.
She was the one. She was the one. And
I was doubting that she was not that I was because people said that she was the one leaking out information every now and then. I was doubting until Chiamaka Jere made a video where he said that I think he was trying to address Biafra Unite, and he said that Biafra Unite. If you have a problem, no matter what the problem is, you have APM number. Reach out to him. He will solve it. No matter, you can go at any length to solve the problem as long as you are media team.
Yes.
Adadorama told him that that the Ikukuna is with you.
See?
So Adadorama told you that Ikukuna is with you. That meaning that Ada see herself as a USB member. You understand? So
Yes.
that's why she used the word you. So I said, okay, meaning that all this while, this woman had been in contact with this guy.
Oh, let me tell you, she's in contact with the woman that brought her in. What's her name? The one that Simon fired, that used to be in charge of men on ground. Ifeoma Biko. She's in contact with Ifeoma Biko. She's in contact with the other lady, Shine too. So she's in contact with all those people that are against Simon Ekpa. She's in contact with all of them. So that's why she's leaking out all the secret. And you remember, if your husband is a member of DOS.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is just the link.
For Mazi Simon Ekpa. On the now what are the origin of the I want the I know na cocoa of this thing.
Now wow.
For Simon Ekpa, for a purpose.
Ojo bato bie wo na eri anya oru.
Oh, if you own big bataria, yana nka okpugide n'ọnụ until okpugbuo ya n'ọnụ nke ahụ anwụọna. Ịghọtagwa na akpọ ya edina ka gịnị ka ọ na-akpọ ya. You understand? Okpugide nke ahụ n'ọnụ tagbuo ya n'amoosu. You understand me? This is vampire of gieba obuni siri and ebe ọ na-ata nke bụ na jugular vein ọ na-ame gị ya that blood a na-enye mana ụmụ ndị blood ha bụ poison o nwere onye gwara ya sa ịkpa m aka mgba gị na mba ijele ị na-aghọta and ọ ma meaning ife omeme imagine that this girl ka m wee ya ọ sị kelee nna is my brother ụmụ ha na na-agwa ya ji mmanụ ọbịa and that is serpentine spirit ile na-abụ ọbịa onye agwakwa na maazị kele nna okwu na the program nke o mere n'abalị ọ nọ nwanne ya nwoke ka ọ bụ onye platform yes so that is it. So this is manipulation. Anybody that has a manipulation spirit,
yeah, very deadly. That is snake.
Thank God no na France. And na Nigeria.
Simon, are you still here with us?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Okay. Okay.
Brother,
yeah, Nigeria, no village. They will kill all their village members.
Mmadụ n'obodo oyibo wela akwa wee na-agwọ. Imagine that this bam je weli ifo wele si na ọ ga-enele progress the analyst n'osisi nwoke mkpụrụ amụ na abụọ nwere ezinụlọ si ya na-ele na ya na osisi ya je na-ele ya na osisi kpọrọ nkọ ka progress the analyst nwụọ. No, that's what happened, and I fired back. I fired back immediately. You understand? Ajere had Okwananda. Ajere has a kidney problem. When you look at her, medics, Ajere anya. Ajere araderia. Ama mofu kidney omwana. You know. Enwe mgbe anyị na-ekpere Ajere ekpere.
Kai.
Ọnụ ya afịchọta, ọnụ ya dị bevel, ọnụ ya dị up and down. Ine iru ya anya, ine anya ya anya, eye socket ya azacha aza. Inezi nti ya anya, ọ dịka nti jackie.
Yes. Yeah, the face is swallowed.
So facial appearance, he is nearing facial stroke.
And then he's doing that screaming that he's screaming. Oh, too bad.
On a scream. Bicycle na London. I chain on a broadcast. Yeah, jagede. Or follow that chopper. Paria na London. Ọkwa ihe na nwaanyị agada nwaanyị ka o ji adịchọ na London. Ọ na-anwa akwa ụlọ. Eji m ife na ya Chineke kpọọ ya ọkụ. Ị na-emeghere nwaanyị bọngị gị. Ị na-emeghere nwaanyị bọngị gị. The family, the girl, ihe gwara ha sị, I don't want, let this man not come again to London again. Onye abụ onye iṅụrụ iṅụ. Ọkwa ịbọngị ka ọ chọ na-aga na London. Ọ para chọpa ya.
Jesus Christ. Hopeless
America, I na-akpịa lime or imago leaf to bicycle. Ọ ya ka ọ na-ada apụta mgbe ahụ o ji daa wee dajie ọkpa. Palụ chọpụ ya n'aka. Ọ bịa yiri helmet ka ndị na-ada akwụkwọ.
I bet maybe with the screaming on him because of aneurysm. If it's not careful, it's gonna get an aneurysm.
Thank you. You just got it. That is it.
Yeah, it's gonna get an aneurysm.
There was a time we were even praying for this useless man up a bicycle. See Italy na galon. Wait, mother fushie na anya ya dada ana amaya mmiri ọkụ ụsa and
you can comment now because I said to bring you up again.
Okay, Mr. Ekene m nje maka na ike gwukwara nke ikpeazụ because when we are talking about this lady in France, finally, just as I said when I commented the first time, that this lady is not stable. Because Onyara sokwa ihe mekwa eji akpọ ya Onyara ụda na ọ chọrọ ikwu ihe ọzọ echi ya n'ọnụ pụọ. Maka na ile nwaanyị anya ke onye ya na-ekwu n'ọya okwu kata gị na ya etie eyi ọ ihe ọzọ na-eti ya mkpu n'isi. o nwere ihe na-eti ya mkpu n'isi but ọ mara otu o esi a control ya. That is the only way nwaanyị a nwere ike iji a control ihe meghe ya. Na ọ ya mere sometimes ọ dị ka mbata na any platform sometimes ya hụ n'okwu nwaanyị a ka eji sometimes I will just like ngakata ntị nwere ike sefụrụ eburu m kada nwaanyị ahụ adịghị the woman. Nwaanyị nọnụ ịkpa ya aka n'ọnụ o nwere ofu okwu nwaanyị a kwuru lo defenderla na social media nke amụnwa na-aṅa ntị. There was a time she was shouting like 160 million. No, onye nyere oge nkere. Ịma ya na-akpọ afọ ego ebe a na-aga agba n'aka. Ọ sị gị, hey, mba ya ekwekwaghị. Mgbe a jụrụ ya ọ sị gị that na ya nwekweghị na evidence.
ha kọrọ mgbe a na-akọ ọnụ n'ọbụrụ na ahụ na-akọ onye na-akọwa ibi ya.
Ọ sị bambam na ọnwụ nkọ ka a na-akọ.
Even ịmọkwa na I'm surprised ihe this woman call against Vam ịkọ ya against me mụ na agaghị esi ofu ụzọ ga.
That is it.
Maka ibe nke Vam was telling a man na o ji eje kpọrọ nwunye onye ọzọ wit nwa onye ọzọ na ọ gaghị amụ nwa.
As you are saying now, that was when I left the platform of that woman because there was no how I would sit and be listening to this. Ihe a wụrụ ihe a na-ekwu okwu ya esi na onye a o nwere o ji ekpọrọ nwunye mmadụ. Ọ dị ka otu a na-ekwu okwu fall back. Onye nke nwanne ama m ebe ọ nọ na kios ya. Ama m ebe arụba ahụ nọ. Nke unu kpọrọ Oremi Juice because nna m ahụ ịhụgodị na kios onye ọbụla chọgakwa n'otu ya esi eme ka ọ baara ya. I understand. Nwoke m apụtara ọsị da na-akpọla ya na Sọni Akparawa na o ji ekpọrọ nwunye pastọ na ihe ka afọ ya na Cape Verde. Ya sị na o jere kpọrọ nwunye mmadụ. And the worst of it all is that you see these guys ha ya agwa gị that na ha ji the evidence that they can call someone and they will make it to look like they are very very sure of what they are saying.
Yes.
Now, ịpụtazie ịjụ onye a na echizi onye asị gị that n'ọkwa mmadụ kpọrọ ya wee because that guy made a program maybe 1 or 2, 3 days like na ya ji nọmba na onye a na ojego kpọrọ nwunye mmadụ na ọ bụrụ nwunye pastọ ka ọ na-asụbarị nwanne akọgide ive a na emechakwa ihe niile abụrụ asịrị ihe onye mmadụ ya bụta na soshal midia na-aṅa na ntị ya na-asị n'ala ata akọ nwere onwe. The main person raising that topic wụ nna m asị ya ọṅụga juice. Ọ ya nwa onye raising that topic. And onye na-ekwu ọgwa gị that so all these things na a na-ekwu okwu agbara akwụkwọ they sue this one they sue that one. The character assassination ha nwa jigodi n'isi ha dị too much. Ma nwaanyị anọ ọrabugboro Fulani everyday ọrabugboro Fulani one WhatsApp nwaanyị anọ lakpuo because ihe a na-aghọkwọ ndị jere akwụkwọ si na character assassination because ị ga-anọ mgbe ọbụla ile ekporo mmadụ n'ọnụ and you have no evidence about what you are saying. O nwere ihe ị nwere ike iji back ya up ma ọ wụ just na ịhụrụ na-apụtara si na na-ekwu okwu nwere onwe.
My dear brother,
onwe ihe
Ada
ọzọ.
ka ga-eje nga, Ada ka ga-eji iko onye. Ada ka ga-eji iko onye. Ị na-aghọta? Ị makwa ife o mere uche. Ọ bụrụ na America ebe anyị nọ, you cannot video somebody without somebody's consent. Ọ sị na ya ji vidio na-evidio uche na-esogharị uche and uche amara na ọ na-evidio onye.
Can you imagine?
Mpịa gị a lawsuit ebe ị nọ. Mana ama m na o nwere ihe a na-echegoro na Ada achịrị aka na-aba onye n'ọnụ. Ọ ya ebe akwa ndeli. Ọ ya afọtụ nwanyị. Ị na-aghọta?
Any didn't teach that woman a lesson ka o zuo ike.
Mana ifugokwenye ya na etinye ndụ ọdụzi ndụ. Ịmakwa ọnụ kata ịmakwa ịbụ mmadụ ibu aka n'isi. Okwu kata obu aka n'isi. O nwere oge Humble na-eme program. E nwere egwu anyị gụọrọ ya. M sị Humble ya aza m chọkwa ifuru egwu a na-ada nụrụ anya ọpanite ịchaka. asị m mba ozugbo a gụọrọ ya egwu ahụ na ada jeje kpata mkpomkpom nke ya kpụchaa ya sị na humble na-eme ihe niile ọ na-eme mana nke a na o metụtara ya na egwu ahụ a gụrụ na ya
there is a post humble post on his page. I think I'm on a page this afternoon, yesterday afternoon. Cause this woman no neti o tikatakwurosi onwe ya ada bekee ihe nke na-asụ na bekee ka ihe a na-ekwu okwu ihe a ọ sị that na nwunye humble na Polu ka ọ na-amakọ na Turkey ala akọ ihe a and he said that na humble no na-eku nwa ọ ya nwa na-eku nwa nwunye ya eje na-amakọ Polu
ndị akwụkwọ ndị kabinet ga-enwetara anyị Biafra.
That is what I'm saying. We ma data anyị na abroad hala ịkwụghala ụgwọ wifi use all 1 month ụtọ ụlọ ose dị all month ụgwọ onwe ihe dịka na use ya 2 months ọwụ ihe mmadụ ga-anọ n'egbe ma inwe ihe ị ga-eji wifi eme kpọwa na egwu onye ihe mmadụ ga na-ege
ọkwa ịma na asị ebe a na-adụ nwa na-enweghị nne ọdụ ya ka nwa nwere nne na-amụta ihe ị na-aghọta everything Ada is doing enwere mgbe m kwuru ya this journey wouldn't have been completed without her. Ana m agwa unu eziokwu this Ada ihe a niile has been predestined for us to get to where we are going. Ịmakwa na Ada lose opportunity on earth ya later stage ya because the love ụmụ Biafra nwere ebe dị suma ịmakwa na ego Ada dara na ya adata ya o ji si gị ịmakwa na Ada si na ya jee ọrụ ọsọ ya emechie ọrụ na ya nwa bụ bọs ịmakwa ịfụnanya ndị Biafra na-adara Ada ego gata oche na otu ahụ ka ọ ga-adịrị gawa onye chụpụrụ onwe ya n'ụgbọ asịra na ụgbọ aghara ya ị na-aghọta it's for a purpose. And the program o mere recently nke o mere n'abalị I was watching her. Ada kwugheriela ọnụ Ada sị na ya ama nnọkwa ya ekwuo nke na-abụrụ eziokwu o nwere ife ọ na-ekwu ọ sị mba na ya ma this time abụọzi nke na ya ma na-ekwuzi ihe otu o si mee which shows ọ ma na ihe ndị ahụ ọ na-eme na-achị mana kịta nụ o jechezere Finland ya ma na-ekwuzi ihe na-eme ha eme
so all the while asị ka ọ na-atụ anọma
na this program o mee in the evening and no ya bụ okwucha okwu ọ naghị echeta ife okwu okwucha okwu ọ naghị echeta ife okwu this is sign of dementia and Alzheimer's and bipolar 3 of them o ji ya n'ụbụrụ ya ị na-aghọta o ji ya n'ụbụrụ ya and Ada na-aṅụ ọgwụ before ọ lara ụla maka ọ na-abụ mechie program anyị mkwana Ada nwere ike ibinite by your 3 o'clock na onye ọra ahụ kata ha n'ụra tọn ọmalite gbanye kọmputa ya bido aja o mechie ya ojeje nọrụ n'elu bed ya na-ekwu ka mgbelede a n'elu wee na-ekwozi ụla
nnọkwa oje bunye osisi si n'ọfọ ọ na-awụ obinye osisi a sị n'ọfọ ana masị ka ọ dịrị ọfọ ihe nka biko ya wofsi ya si ya je bute na France
onye nyere ya threat ọsọ onye nyere ya threat ọ na-ekwu na ụmụ onye nyere ya threat I keep on laughing ọgụ a na threat mmadụ every day of your life ịkọ mmadụ ọnụ akọgbala gị ịmawa mkpu na ndị media team pụtara gị agha. The best thing that has happened to us is this media team that came out from nowhere. That's why I call them stones. Yeah, ha bụ okwute Chineke raised. And ya bụ ife na-ewe iwe ewezuga ndị dị ka aka na group ya na team nwaanyị agwachacha anya abacha ọgwụ anyị ji mmanụ otu ahụ ọ nọ otu ọ rigota ha na n'ọfịs ihe ahụ o kwuru ọtọ gị pịa isi na wall. The gullible will be deceived. Ọ ya ka o ji si na Ngozi Ọradeze ji ahagharị ụmụ tam wages and tam borrows na emesisi ahụ na ife ịghọtago so ọ dịghịkwara ya easy. Ada na-arahụ ụra mana brain ya da arara ụra in no distant time o nwere ike inwe brain damage. M ga-anọkwa ebe a m ga-anọ mana o mekwa kịta ọbịa si unu ụmụ Biafra ụmụnne m unu biko unu gbaghalụ m amakwa ihe m na-eme ọ maka ndị ga-agbaghara ya.
Please, you see, another thing I want to talk about. We have spoke about emotional blackmail and whatever. Ị hụrụ nwaanyị a o nwere ihe ị ga-aghọta like o nwego program m ṅara ntị one certain time na nke Humble ebe nwaanyị a nọ na-eti na ya amadat na ọwụrọghị igwe bute ụzọ kwuru ihe a na ọwụ ya nwakwuru ebe ya wụ na igwe bute ụzọ na ya sịrị na gị kpọọ ya na fonu gwa ya na ihe awụ ihe i kwuru. Ị hụrụ nwaanyị ahụ nwere agenda. Nwaanyị ahụ nwere agenda.
I don't know igwe bute ụzọ ọ dịkwụsị ọzọ igwe maka igwe bute ụzọ na.
Ịma ihe kpatara ụnụ anaghị anụzi igwe bute ụzọ because of Holy Ghost. And on ajụhụ, why is she not discussing about Holy Ghost?
My friend, just hold on.
Okay, Kai, one
continue, River Goddess, continue what you are saying.
So, yeah, if you watching Ketebona, all my female Holy Ghost, then Holy Ghost, if I know Ada name, Madam Ngozo Aradeze, that was what Holy Ghost called him.
Okay, you are Kevin, right? Is
it?
Are you Kevin?
No. My name is King.
Okay, King. Okay, make your submission. River God is just because he's calling from WhatsApp. Let's hear him.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Oh, Ndewo.
No.
Good evening from here. I'm calling from Canada.
Welcome.
Yeah, God bless all of you. We shall stand on the truth, and the truth we shall stand.
Yeah.
I'm making so much. God bless you.
Thank you.
Ọwụrụ na akọwa akụkọ ada dị njọ, ada dị ochi, ada ndị 419 chi ga-eji ga-abụ. It's not or gaga enough. This woman have deceived a lot of people. But he called the woman a jugo because ọ mazịrị ihe ọ na-eme. Ndị ụfọdụ ndị iberibe na-asị na asị ndị asaghị Paul back. Na Simon ịbatụ Paul on the back to free. Ihe aka ebe ndị na-ekwu okwu ị ga-ama na ọdị ndị dị otu enweghị amamihe enweghị ha sense. Ha na-asị anyị na asaghị Paul back, but was not mean na Simon ịba. Was not know what he was doing. Simon ịba amaghị ihe. Ihe program all this time na a ga-eme na December 2nd, which they declare ya na the 29th of November. And now after they declare, I say na I fall back and the Prime Minister I fall back. And the ndị na-enweghị akọ na uche, ndị na-enweghị amamihe na-ege ntị ihe dị ụta. Ajụjụ m jụga ndị Igbo ma ndị sa sọpọtụ ga oge nkere ndị wayo ma gbara agwa ndị oshi ọvamvamvam onye ara agbaga n'Italy. These people na-aṅụ ọṅụ na asa fall back. Ihe m na-ajụ ajụjụ m jụga n'abalị awụ ọ pụtara na ndị mmadụ enweghị ha akọ na uche common ordinary sense. Ihe niile Simon Ekpa nọ na-ebi udo all this is ọ nọ na-ekwu a ga-eme ọ ga-adị otu a ọ ga-adị like this. Ezi ihe o jiri bụrụzi na ndị mmadụ amaghị ihe a na-akọzi. A na-asị fall back. Some people say yes, na always okwu na asị fall back. Ihe m na-ajụ n'abalị a na Simon Ekpa amaghị na ọkọga. Or Simon Ekpa was sleeping when he was planning all the things. All waste of time. I don't understand. Anyway,
I'm kọwara gị ka ime understand.
Let's see if anybody want to answer the question.
I'm sure, yeah, even na ha na ihe these people na-eme bụ initially Ikenga Oruago and the DOS people has a kama this ije ga-eji nwee isi site na kama ka ọ kwụsa. That is what they are doing. Kama Ikenga Oruago sị kama Simon ekwe ọ ga-esi n'aka ka ya bụrụ onye nwụrụ anwụ. Achalugo si kama ọ ga-eji bụrụ Simon ga-eme ihe a onwe isi ka ya bụrụ onye nwụrụ anwụ. They swore, they vowed with their life. That's why they are fighting it. DOS came in through the back door. So all ya depending what again now.
Thank you. God bless all of you.
All right, thank you so much. Thank you. A great deal. Thank you. So, Kevin. Why am I'm listening to
Good morning, everybody.
Yeah, we're having echo on the sound.
Yeah, I don't know
from here or from here or from there.
I don't know where. Okay, hold on. Let me. Can you imagine? Kevin.
Yeah.
Kevin. I think it's from you.
From me?
Yeah, you are watching from. What?
No.
Okay, just a minute. Okay. Can you hear me?
Yeah, Kai, I can hear you. I think the echo has stopped.
Yeah, the echo has stopped. Yes.
Not from Kevin. Because I just dropped him. Let me bring him up. It's from him. Kevin, can you turn down your It's from your device. Yeah. No, you don't need to mute yourself. Are you watching from another device?
No.
Okay, just make your submission. Let me hear from you. Okay.
Well, Kai, I greet you so much. What a good job to come back on this your platform, but sometimes I'm busy. I know too much. One of my sister no here, so na go at the hospital na only at the bend is a bed. About the social only bend. Is here a baka on eba Bobby is baby corner about Puara. This woman will adade or amma. And when this woman call, Yogi de see stop all this is on him and other drama. Obido riba. And man on na humble lion platform every day. I'm Kevin from Indonesia. You know. So I got your
good morning, sir.
I greet you, my mother. So this woman, Araya adigo too much, but ebo se wutembo. Those people na this woman na call. Eba ebo se wutem. Somebody like he go to. I'm sorry to mention that nonsense name. I want to meet this woman on a couple every day. Because I want to have for that woman, Nanya, Hayana, where say ride on. How to pay
destroy her.
Yeah, I to go near Ojo Finland. Jeburara Boronko na Mako Madu nwere future. If you go, so those things we oyabo nne some people. Now, this woman right on one again from America, and the one stupid woman again in Manana homeland again. Kwesirika ona agebe ihe na-eme ka adịsha ọ na-esevuru ndị nọ n'ala Igbo. Ebia ị na-agwa onye na-arụ Chinasa Nworu ọrụ. Remember enwe mgbe this woman si na Chinasa Nworu na-akpọ ya na phone. Remember this woman ya na ndị ọhaneze ndị Igbo na-arụkọ ọrụ. This woman na DOS can up to tomorrow. Okay, many things na happen na Igbo. Isi na ị na-azọ ụmụ aja, isi na love Simon Ekpa. this woman bụ onye Igbo alụrụ n'ugwu Hausa na-akpọ one stupid woman na mamo gịnị ka ọ na-eme na ugwu Hausa na-akpọ Simon Ekpa terrorist na ọ na-egbusisi ndị be ha. This woman bụ Adadiora Mma enweghị ike channel that madness ya maybe those people na-akpọ Simon Ekpa terrorist, even Mayogu or something like that. Ha ya channel their brain there. Ọ bụrụ a woman ịma that is Chineke just wepụta ka ọ bịa hicha ụmụnne ya anya mmiri because ọ bụrụ na their plan work ihe a na-ekwu Biafra kata na onye ọ na just na-akọghịrị by then everything anyụọ. The woman eburu isi ihe niile a dọya isi ya enye ego ọkwa nothing ibido kọghịrịbe chefuzie your past message ị na-esend bụrụ ndị mmadụ na-ajụ ma ndị ọ na-agwazi na Ngozi Ọrọba Fulani ka ihe bụzi dia na ihe niile the woman kwu before unu aka na-eso ya. But I believe ihe na-eso this woman bụ ndị ka nọkwa under DOS. Enwere a reasonable Biafran chọrọ freedom na-eso this woman. The woman na-apụ every blessed day efe ọ na-amachet ọgba ọgwụ gbasi ọgwụ because ama m na ọ na-eji agba ọgwụ ka isi ya wee na-ajụta obere oyi, but the more ọ na-agba ọgwụ wee na-apụta asawasị ọnụ, the more veins ya everything na the weak until the day ọ ya da stroke ọ daha stroke na ololo abụrụzie mma. So my Biafran people biko mara that na this woman enwere onye ọ bụ number one illiterate ka ọ bụ nke ọ na-afọsụ onwe ya asụ Oyibo na ọ chọọ communicate with ndị dị eri ozi ọsụ eriwe nkanka Oyibo na-enwere isi n'ọdụ. So another thing biko today or Saturday everybody pụta ka adị sure na ihe a na-eme na-aga aga. Kaya, thank you so much. You are doing a wonderful job.
I appreciate you, Kevin. Nice to have you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Kai, can I say something?
Sure.
Talking about the illiteracy of Adadiora Njo, the white woman head from France. I don't believe that she cannot speak English makes her an illiterate. Because me, I don't believe that you are fluent in English means that you're educated. But what makes her an illiterate is all this attitude she's exhibiting in social media. Because she's exhibiting an attitude of somebody who have no knowledge.
You're right.
That's my ihe ufukpuri ihe ọma ha. Ọ bụrụ na ọma ha asụ Oyibo, but ọ na-ekwute okwu that's nature uche ka mmadụ. That means she's not educated. I just believe that English was so onye ọzọ ka anyị na-ama, so I don't take it as onye as na mmadụ need fluent in English, need educated. But no, what do you have upstairs? Get knowledge in where mgbe Maazị Samapa said that na ha nwe ndị awụ ihe si ike akpọ ha solve all the problem. I believe that is education. So it won't matter of her English, but she's dumb upstairs completely. And just like one of our sister Kuru, no, on a bachari here seriously. Then the reason why when this stagger started from Finland, she was supporting our COS because of Nyanwaneranya Ketia na cabinet. And secondly, she was happy under Apwana, again carry her go, hoping na ayenye yokwa. Again, where is something tina kai for her to be doing. But because of our COS, the wise, no, she can't offer anything. Well, it's also the only thing she can offer. What is here on our offer now? Onwezi ochekrofu no nwe ihe nyere ihe iwe ya duzi against US. One man who play a video of one man saying that US nearly $400, as appreciation. Na US be on a program the other day. She was saying that na $400 na for dollar enye kwere onye na ga-enye kwe nke na US ga-enye kwe nke. So CS send there this here na send when YouTube. Osikwa recharge osimba na nke apekwere mpe na ga-enye kwe ego. The same person is telling you that no reject ego oge nkere.
This woman is funny.
Do you know that this same man you talked about now, but the same man, this one isi ọcha jere na be this man nọrọ mgbe anyị na-eso ya wee mee program. Nwoke a na nwunye ya na family ya na group ndị nọ around that place nabata this one isi ọcha. Nwunye nwoke a shiere ya ụkwa Adadiora mma rie mere anyị program like odife o mere. Enwere ozi ezirie ka o jejeje mete ịma na that same man ahụ bụ onye nye $400. That same man ka Adadiora mma were ya ka ọkụkọ ya ọkụkọ agrik white tinye n'ime mmiri ọkụ fochie ya bụ bịa niile.
I don't like a move there. You about this woman, you know.
Yeah. Nwoke a na nwunye abụọ mere anyị program. Enwere ozi eziri ya to go and do ọ bụrụ ife niile ka anyị ghọtago. O wee ruo ebe ahụ inweta ụdị warm destin enyere unu nọkwa ebe ahụ mere anyị vidio. Even group bịakwa ebe ahụ ya na-eme ihe anụnwa ka anyị gụrụ nwaanyị a bụ eze na-agụ. And na the problem Ngozi Orabueze mere no without giving this woman assistant COS.
Yeah.
You understand? That's what
imagine this woman. Imagine this woman with assistant COS. What's up?
Hi, Jesus Christ.
I ejedere this woman akwụkwọ ho ha. I etinye na ya na archive.
Why? On na money ya he pronounce COS.
Ihe a m na-agwa gị bụ ọkwọpụta na program ọ na-akpachagharị kedu ndị na-enye program ke ndị na-enye topic ke ndị na-agụrụ ya ke ndị na-akọwarị ya ke ndị na-ederi ya ọ na-agụtanwu nke ede na Twitter. Anyị gwa anyị atapịa Chineke kpọọ ọkụ kpọọ ọgụ jaja.
Ọkwa bụ ada dị ada nwaanyị isi ọcha na France anyị agwọ ya anya n'aja.
Jesus Christ. Ụlọ na-adọkwa ya vava progress the analysis suicide ala adị ya kpeki. Ụlọ suicide Jesus Christ.
I own not too much, you know.
Ọ na-asị ya ọchọ dị mma.
Nsogbu adịghị ọ na-eweta nke ya nwa anya na-edipọ nke ya na-afa ya.
M mechara kpọọ ya sị ya enwere mgbe m kpọrọ asị ya biko nne m ha iwepụ sentiment like otu a m nọ abụ m mmadụ ọ bụrụ nke ị na-agwa udo okwu o ji ya na-agba m fịọrọ and nwaanyị ya na-agwa ihe has not come out to reply you. That does not mean that she is weak. You understand? Mana enwere ebe ihe emelude mmadụ ife luo your conscience. Say, where is your conscience? Your conscience emekwene gị ka m hapụwaza since m na-agwa nwaanyị okwu ịghọtago ọ dụ ihe ọ gwabere m she has not replied. Ọ sị na ọ bụ onye oshi since tell me one thing this woman has stolen from you. Gwa m ofu ihe o zuru ebe ị nọ. Mkpọọ ya yọọ ya biko si ya leave this woman ekpughị ya n'ọnụ enough. Ọ sị m na ọ madam m mụ na madam m. M sị abeg that's your madam. Oh, madam we ka ọ bụ first before my madam.
Yeah.
O nwere okwu okwuru isi ji wee gbaka m. You know, na ọ bụrụ na ị bụ onye amụma a ga m isi na enyego gị ọgwụ na Ngozi nyelu gị ọgwụ ili ọgwụ. You understand? So ọ bụghị ife a na-afụ m ụfụ na why
ọ na-afụ ụfụ na ọ bụ for don't sue this woman for character assassination.
No, but
anyị ama mgbakọta
network.
Ọ na-aka ya kwụ ọtọ na a na-emegbu ya na ọ na-ada ekwe achịcha.
Ama because na ọ nọ na France that they cannot. Ndị nọ na France should be able to take that woman to court. And their laptop and everything, they're supposed to have taken this woman to court.
and they take it to court. Even ọkwa na ọka nwere nke ọka just na mgbe ọbata obi batara ọbata obi aba ha pocket money ya ka ọ bụ o riri thank you rie change o riri change rie thank you.
That's what I'm saying. Those in the front supposed to sue her.
One thing is sure, Imago, there is things that are happening. We are brilliant people. You understand me? We are brilliant people. We put things together. We put facts and figure together.
Yes.
Elijah.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah,
so
sure.
But you have killed even more.
Network.
I don't know your voice.
Gwagide mmadụ okwu iji ọ na-egbu mmadụ. And oge ngwalia and ọ ya anụ ife ngwalia nsị the spirit of Ngozi, because when I thought before God and man nsị Ngozi, you might feel no nwere ike no nwere ọnụ, but her spirit is crying for vengeance. And spirit Ngozi went and mobilized people. Ihe Ngozi nọ na-ajụ na-asị kedu ife mmelu eji gbakọta ma that's why Ngozi no lebo and everybody just came from the north, south, east, and west.
I know. That's true.
I called this video. I told her that this is Ngozi Amadi Keifasi. You understand? People speaking up. It's just her spirit.
For more angle. I'm telling you, for more angle. Hapụ kene onye a si na okpoko na okpoko ka daga ịtụrụ
stop ya ịghọtago ọ bụrụ nke dị mma ekpe ekpere si biko dabatawa that gift, the gift of God is without repentance. Any gift God gives to you is not for you, it's the gift of God. The people will perish. So the gift in Kenya.
Onye si dị na butu ụzọ na-eri anụ mmadụ. Onye si na butu ụzọ na-eri anụ mmadụ.
That is what I am saying now. One this thing na ha ewatago na ha. I don't know what to say, but I'm going na this journey according to our prophets. Bonye na aka mo obi m na-eso anya bịawago n'isi njere because everything now is playing out. Prophecy is playing out in court. Prophecy is playing out on the street. Prophecy is playing out everywhere. Somebody say, who is this man? Mazen Namo de Kanu.
Yeah, people are asking questions now.
So now they begin to ask questions. Moke mad nozara ne nanya. Ha mechaje attract onye ọcha or bịa soro he nodo na court. So this is divine intervention. God will say, keep quiet. I will fight your battle and you will hold your peace. May God fight our battle.
Amen. Yeah. Many zoo people they believe say that this man, not one with the man who start tomorrow.
Kai showed one of the guys.
Yes.
I think it was in the afternoon. That I think it's a Yoruba person or something that was like a crazy person too.
Yes.
Shouting and screaming. This is Onyamuma, Obramuma for Tinubu, Obramuma for this.
Even without even things. So God gave us gift. When they gift. Everything I need the talk from Ali Bokosi. You understand? Ojukwu bịa onye nke a dịka ya ka onye nke a Waziri ka bịa dịka ọka onye nke a Maazị Nnamdi Kanu dịka ọ bụ onye nke a Simon Ekpa bịa dịka ọ bụ onye nke a nwa Ngozi nwanne m pụtazie onu ewe na-enye ọha olu ebe ị na-enezi onye kwuru okwu. So imagine, and where can na-agwa this anụmanụ today, even if you try to cow Ngozi tomorrow, Imam ga rise up tomorrow ka Mammogu ga rise up tomorrow. We don't know who the mantle will follow.
Yes.
Biafra won't walk.
When that spirit possesses you, you wouldn't even know what you're doing.
Even Maazị Simon Ekpa bịakwanụ ka ọ na-awụ ọmụ ofe sili n'ọkụ ka Maazị wee na-apụta. Simon ọkụ ọmụjide ofe ọwụ ọmụ ofufu wee na-eche masta ya. Omaha no ga-eru otu a. The mantle now fall on him of that I go nowhere. Ngozi Orabieze was there, COS. Omaha na this big mantle ga-adanye na ngana. So
always something do strange about this struggle. I know one of the problem anyway. Imandu DOS that had honor with Mazen and the Carlo for years. But with time room where Nandi Carlo and problem. Samoneba came from nowhere. And how we grown up for that now, the young man there with a mantle of leadership do above them. And how we na go to somebody just bia ima ha na akpọ ha ndo 2020 or 2019
asụlose na back door
na back door yeah. So ha nwa na-eme imagine ha nwa nọ n'ebe a since then ọ bụrụ onye a bịara nya ga-etake the mantle na kama onye a ga-etake ya ka ha sasịa ihe niile a na-eme. Samuel Ekpa, some of them kwa wobatakwa na group Samuel Ekpa. Then Ngozi Orabieze came from nowhere. Ịma na ya na Livingstone nweburu problem. But Livingstone na-eme accuse no Nigerian agent. Ịma onye bido Nigerian agent ebe our COS no Livingstone. Oh, na some of you tell.
It's true.
No,
It's true.
Yes.
It's true.
Now we bido yes no na ye ni problem ni na enwe wo Ngozi Orabieze no Nigerian implant call Samuel Ekpa now sacked him.
Yes.
Ngozi Orabieze can offer there. So the problem, how can we be here and somebody just came and takes the leadership?
And it's somebody that has been working on the ground. If you watch the doctor, you will see that she's not a loud person. She's been working on the ground, but when this mantle falls on you, you don't have option.
Yeah.
You don't have option.
Yeah. And that is to tell you that these people, they don't have Biafra in heart. Because
No,
if you
that's
have
an
Biafra,
organization.
yes, if you have Biafra in heart, your focus supposed to be, like Mazen Nzukaro said, that whoever who have something better than me to bring this thing, let him come forward. Means that when that person come forward, he's ready to step down. So it's not about him. It's not about him, but it's about this is our goal.
Biafra,
And
the
our goal is
freedom.
bigger. Yes, it's bigger than any other person. But all these people you see, all these criminals, their own, what they're looking is for post and their interests. They don't have Biafra at heart at all. At all. When you see their action, where did this person come? When did he come? We have been the one. But you don't have anything. You know, there was a guy in my county. They made the guy media, the head of media. And the guy is not all that learned. So one day I called him. I told him, my friend, I told him that thing to prepare his mind. I told him, my friend, you and I, we are, contributing financially. You are doing some work here and there. But I want you to have this in your mind, that when this thing start working, we might not be recognized. Even this post you have, somebody who is more knowledgeable than you might take it.
Yes.
I don't want you to feel offended. That our aim is not what we are going to get, but our aim is to get the freedom that will better up the life of our children in the future. The reason why I told him that thing is that these are the problems that these people are having. I want to know one bob since a back on Canton can. I want to be doing a water. So almost on your piano, if you don't see about the Onyamba, Onyanari, not Barry or Wakonada, just like here, do fall back in make it. So yeah, with the mindset and go see no freedom. Oh no, your freedom. When you're say we have carry a mungabia mayor, ya choro kind with
the free mind.
Yeah.
All right, thank you so much. I think we need to round up now. We have tried our best. This is has been 3 hours plus. let's just make our final submission so we can call it a day for today. Tomorrow is another day. Let's start from Simon Emeka. Can you just make your final submission for now so we can end it? Thank you.
Well, my final submission is that God is still at work.
Yes, sir.
The Almighty is involved in what we are doing. When it seems that they want to silence this person, God, the spirit of Biafra will enter into another person and that person will carry. And even when the enemies are trying to put that person down, you see that person still rising up. You see people coming out to, what is happening now is the same thing that happened to our PM. When the DOS were, bringing all sort of propaganda, his Nigerian agent, God brought up people to defend him and support him. And that shows you that God is involved. And my prayer is that, sometimes one wants to be discouraged. One wants to say, why is all this? And that was a day I said, but at the wrong, because of I've lost hope in where I am, in the zoo where I am, and I know that the best option is Biafra. That is why I will not give up. That's why I can stay up to this time, still contributing, bringing my water, whatever I could do to make sure that this thing come. My prayer is that the Almighty Lord will keep us alive to see this thing we are fighting for. In the name of Yeshua. Thank you very much.
Amen. You said,
Yes, sir.
Amen.
Thank you. River Goddess, let's hear from you.
It's good time, sensitizing our people, with the little humor that is on it. So I say, agwa onye nwere ntị ya anụ, onye nwekwanụ ntị ya esoro ofeke fenye isi n'ọfịa. But all I know is that the grace of God is abounding on us, and God will see us through. And onye ọbụla nwe olileanya, onye ọbụla nwe strong will, we have overcome the world. Thank you, my brother. And thank every one of us that has been on this program, contributing in one way or the other. There is my sister that is on this program. I appreciate you. You're welcome. And Madam,
Thank you, my sister.
I appreciate you too. May God Almighty, hear our prayer and do for us more than we have asked of Him. But all I know is that we are at the end of the tunnel, and the light is shining forth brighter and
So
brighter,
bright.
and we shall sing songs of joy. Kai, may God replenish you, and may God fulfill you. And my regards to your family. You are doing absolutely great. Thank you very much. Okay?
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. And Madam Origin, let's hear from you.
Hey, Mr. Kai, thank you so very much. You and all our media pichichis. God bless you all.
Thank you.
It's very important what we are doing. This particular keeping eye on our mandates, so they no go snatch them from us is important, and it's because of people like you that come out every day and to make sure that we keep the fire burning. Tomorrow is our fundraising. My prayer, and I pray for everyone here. I pray for our well-meaning Biafrans, that God will provide for them, that God will touch their hearts to give, because we need to build our nation. One of the things that make the Nigeria government that contraption to do what they are doing, because most of these things, most of them are orchestrated by them. They have one of those senators. He bragged. He said he has a multi-million, whether it's multi-million or multi-billion-dollar media setup. And this is where they dig out, they train, because they know that with their propaganda, and they try to make foolishness and stupidity be make the world, it will look like, these people, they are not serious, the Nigerians are not serious, Biafrans are not serious, while the criminals are there stealing all the money. But we tell them this time around, their hand in the inside thorns, because we will make their, you see this nonsense they have been doing for the last 100 years, and they are getting away with it. This time around, they are not. And that's why I encourage everybody, if you're awake, stay awake and call every other person's attention, because the land is our own.
Yes,
we are the ones to choose our leaders. We cannot have miscreants coming to take position, criminals taking positions, and rabble-razzle us, and then they carry the money, go share them. No, this time around, they no go share them again. We will make sure that we don't let them get away with all this their nonsense. They're the ones that are creating all this nonsense. Even the world will look at us, they look at us like, you see, Mr. Kai,
Yes.
I need to rant for, because you see why I had to rant over them is because the way where they come now, come here, Elias and Amandabre. You see how I call their name? Because they know they call my own right. Elias is what's that with that place he came from?
Wait,
Greek American.
are you one of those that your name is there?
Mike. You see, I know how to do me. I know they even look for lawyer. And I mean, they go sue my own. Let them call my name now. Let me see why I'm saying this is that when COS was talking and raised that video, they started making noise about it. There's nothing to make noise about, because these people put their, you know how a person puts hand inside the snake mouth, now you go bite them. Because this Amanda Bri and the Elias, they were employed. They were the ones that came and sat with COS. They discussed how the future of United States of Biafra. And she introduced herself to them. No, it was Elias that kind of brought Amanda Bri. And Amanda Bri, because I had, when I was hearing about his name before, they were talking about how he has helped. That is what you do here. We immigrants, when we come, we promote ourselves. We want, if you have opportunity, both of them had opportunity to work for a firm that's this firm happened to be work to help nations that are looking for freedom. So that is how they got that job. And now they want to buga. Because they thought in my COS, Dr. Ngozi Arabweze, the deputy prime minister, they thought she is the kind of thing that they have been hearing about. Nigeria government and the Nigeria, the way they behave. You think this one are one of them? No, say this person gets sense proper. She will deal with them. Men are no worry. Make we leave that one, that place. I beg my people, tomorrow, make we do our referendum. Tell Amanda Bri and Elias that with or without them, at least right now, without them, USB is moving forward. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, sister.
But you go.
So I'm gonna join my voice to that of my sisters and the brothers in the house to say thank you, God. Thank you for showing us that brightness. It was so bright. I saw it so bright upon our media. The media team we have now, just intact. highly qualified people that knows how to analyze every message or information, look at it critically. We thank God. The Biafra is where it's already mapping itself. Things are falling in place. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for the cabinet, well organized, educated, people with high functioning faculty who handling this country called United States of Biafra. And I ask that light, that bright light that I saw, to brighten the heart of more and more meaningful Biafra people, to prevent another massacre in Biafra land. By coming tomorrow Saturday, during donation, come anonymously. We have men, women who you are not paying but have volunteered their life to defend us, to defend our land. Let's show that unity tomorrow. Let us come together and support somebody who the spirit of Biafra has possessed. She needs our support, and we will support her fully tomorrow. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, media team. You guys are doing wonderful. Thank you, Kai,
Thank you
for
so much.
scheduling your time. This time fit very well with some of us that live in US. And those in Biafra land, oh, you guys are wonderful. I appreciate each and every one of you that are spending. I know how hard it is to afford a data there. So when we see you people in this platform, we appreciate you guys a lot. Just have patience. Everything is falling in place. The COS is unveiling things gradually, one after the other, a poco, and we'll get there. Just exercise more patience. We understand. We hear your cries. We know it's difficult. We appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. Bye. Kai, are you there? Or you're falling asleep?
Sorry, I don't know that I moved my mic. I was actually calling. Thank you so much, ma. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Triple M, are you there? Triple M. Can you hear me? Can anyone hear me?
We
can hear you. Maybe some people must have fallen asleep.
Yeah, I thought as much. So, okay, guys, I have to appreciate all of you that joined me. Madam Ojugo, River Goddess, and Madam Origin, Ndubeze, Simon Emeka, and Triple M. All of you, both the ones that I cannot even remember now. I have to appreciate all of you. And those of you in the comment section, God bless you for being here with us this late hour, liking the video, supporting us, putting your comments, sharing everything together with us. It's not easy. I have to appreciate you for that. And please make sure you join fundraising tomorrow. Like our mommy said, that is a referendum, because considering what happened in Finland, people fly from their different locations trying to, not because they love PM, not because they want freedom, not because they care about what people are going through, but for them to use that to nail themselves in name of tearing someone, trying their brothers and sisters down. Because when a matured woman vow to give herself assignment to make sure that she brings CS down, want to bring her down, just want to prove a point, which I don't know. So that alone should give you a concern. And today being Saturday, you have to do your best, and anywhere at all, you understand? Just represent. Take care and see you again tomorrow. God bless you, all of you. Bye bye for now.
Bye. Good night.
Bye.
Good night
Thank
to you.
you.
Good night to you. Bye.